Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Everybody, let's get the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people, let's go.
Get right!
Yeah.
Mixup and Blenda, Dancehall.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the lead for me damn bad mind, you can't stop me now.
Mixup and Blenda,
Tambourine and praise the Lord.
Everybody!
Mixup and Blenda time.
Yeah. Rah. Oh, go on. TamFamers. Wagwan. Big up on yourself and everything. Is that? Oh, wait. People. Oh, no. Wait, name the subscriber badge still not there beside Starboy name. Starboy, I wagwan. Starboy, you wasn't a subscriber before. I want him. People, I want him to Starboy. Him card last, don't. Somebody say him card last. Hold on there. Check. Hold on, there's something we need for the writer sound. Don't move a muscle. One pop. You can just press a button. There we go. Button press up and be things. Up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. And all the hypocrite and bad mind, I can't stop being a revival time. Everybody shake up your tambourine and praise the Lord. Yo, I want go on. Big up on yourself, man. Oh, Sublife did nice last night. Sub night. Karen Robinu said, your front look tired, Raga. He said, this is one of them statements there where people bust liberty by you for dry out and you don't take the bait. First of all, by Jamaican parlance, man not on front, a woman on front. All right? So, black car, no man, we're not black car. No, we're not black car. I'm a charge, you know, I'm a look at charge, you understand? Draw, yeah, every day. I ain't filing shit. Yo, man, say. If you never there yesterday, you're not gonna get it, all right? So if you see people in the chat key, you see every read about it a while ago. If you see other people about it, if you hear me say it, and you see everybody laugh or something or whatever, and you weren't here yesterday, humble yourself. Because it means that you don't understand what I'm going. Because who did boss it for me? What's your name again? What the name of the lady who did boss it for me again? Maroon. Right, Cookie Monstress. Maroon. I ain't filing no shit. Now let me say it, now let you miss it. But now let me post the Mixup though on my page right over here. I post the Mixup on my page. But me I tell you, yeah, when I post them, people get it, you know, but it's when you get them in at the show live, them sweeter. You see what I say? And who know me at that, I always a drop Daniel, I always a left out the 4, you know. But the 4 important, man. I ain't filing for shit. Yeah, I eat me all the while, I say I ain't filing shit, but I ain't filing for she. Now let me tell you, Mr. Mix-Up there. I mix up there. Yeah, it's a 4 pepper mix-up. It's up there, you know? A 4.5 pepper mix-up. It's a 4.5 pepper mix-up, you know? What the highest mix-up where you can get? Now 5 pepper. 5 pepper mix-up are the highest mix-up you can get, but should not be able to keep it at 5. So how should I put that 7? 7 pepper mix-up. No, 5 pepper. I would have 5 pepper mix-up. 5 pepper mix-up. But that's the top mix-up you can get. A 5 pepper mix-up. We don't complicate. Paula said, greetings, Raga from Pearly in London in Surrey. All right, people, who are going on, good. I hope you're good, you know. When you're ready for a nice show, tell me so when you're ready for a nice show, yeah? We're going to have a sub-live today, too. 2 days in a row, because we're not having one tomorrow, you know, say. My little girl birthday weekend kick off tomorrow, so daddy got plans for her, okay? I'm going to rock up our brain, make sure she understand herself. We got stuff for her, you know, so no show tomorrow. We're setting our priorities right, okay? Kids come first. Yeah, my kids them come before, no. Hubex. You understand? Anyway, you don't know Raga one daughter too and all these things. All right? My one daughter, who happened to be my last one too. You don't know, you know. Princess have to take care of, you know. You see what I say? Blessed, Raga, I like your blue. Is that baby blue? It most certainly is. You know, say Raga is a baby blue guy, all right? Nah, switch. There's something there for a long while, right? I know. Baby blue. The drink of the day, Bailey's. All right? Bailey's I do it. And anytime we have sub-life, Bailey's I run, you know. Yeah, man, anytime sub-life, they about Bailey's I run, man. And we have to, yeah, because we like it. We like it creamy, you know, but y'all don't start now. Don't start. Don't start. Don't start. All right, some like it creamy. But for an occasion like this, I don't drink to get drunk. Right? I don't drink to get drunk. I never drink to. Oh, that man always tell people, say, when I came to America and I was going to college and all these kids were like, yo, I'm going to get fucked up tonight, man. Yo, I'm going to be throwing up. I thought it was the weirdest thing because, as you all know, in Jamaica, we don't drink to get drunk. In fact, you are celebrated if you drink and don't get drunk. That's how we run it at Jamaica, right? The phrase that we use for that is, can you hold your liquor? And them people they get big up. So we not big up people who get drunk. We not drink for get drunk, right? The most we do now, if we would say, yo, we just want to sip something and feel nice, don't? Yeah. You hear Jamaica and say something like, yeah, and it kind of red little bit, you know? Yeah, meaning you're in a relaxed state where your inhibitions are down and whatever. You know, ladies like some of the ladies before they go sleep with certain type of man, they have to drink something first. Yeah. Some of the ladies are so on the stairs, so. When they not go sleep with certain type of man, they have to drink something first. And no phone not go feel bad about this. But yeah, ladies, some of them end up sleep with a man for certain reasons where sick on the stomach, but they still do it, though. Memories that you can all do without. But yeah, and some on a drink something just for kind of steal up on the nurse for go do that something they were on never did want do and thing. Now found on don't want think about it now, though. The way it's still sick on the stomach, though. And if you want to feel bad, so you want to go do that. No. Yeah. I mean, yeah, no fun. See some... Rosie Benjamin said, hi, Raga, first time here. Rosie, this is your first time with me. Don't worry, man. You know, I'm very gentle and understanding with the first time. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take care of you, Rosie. All right? I'm like Allstate. You're in good hands with Allstate. Now, worry yourself, Rosie. I got you. Hey, so what I'm going, people? No, hey. One time when we did that Vasa, you know, you did have this woman. And when we did that Vasa, my undergrad, where I did my bachelor, me bad, you know, man. I'm tell you, say, boy, wild, you know, man. Some things I'm going on with, you know, typical college years, you know, all 3, 4 in a one day, them something there, you know. And one time I drive for this bee, you know, from, she was from Italy, right? And I tell a girl, sexy like whatever, but me sneaky, you know, so I didn't always in her ears, because she didn't have a look man, you know. And when I don't know, say, me had a perennial boner man for a long time. So I did up in her ears a screech anytime she come down at the mug, you know, I was the manager for the club, the Wednesday night for the club, named the mug. So anytime she come, you know, in her ears look a bit and whatever, you know. But I one of them thing there, she come from some high society Italian family. Me never want nothing from her. Me just want put one pan her, you see? I mean, I work it, you know, man. Because one thing with me patient, you know. You must say nothing I go on my Lego. But if you know, no rush, no daddy and thing or whatever, me easy and thing or whatever. I see like she come round, and me I say, yeah, you know, say something can go on, you know. Just easy, man. She will this and that, you know. And in her ears, you know, make sure say me in her ears when I'm man on the boat, you know. And then, oh, you do them something then. I can't tell them something, I'm a old man now. Oh, you do them something, you know. Here's the rule. Young fellas, listen to Mass Raga now. You see, if a woman like you, she like you. If a woman like you, she like you. You see, if a woman like you, just clutch and play your cards right. Most of the time when woman talk to you 2, 3 times, before, you know, baby double, big up yourself. What was that? Sky, space, universe. What was that a while ago? Anyway. So when I say no, it's when a woman like you, 10 million man a drive fear, but it's you she like. Now, a lot of times women now go tell you say them like you earlier. Oh, that was a galaxy, right? A lot of times women now go tell you say them like you earlier. They'll show you that they like you. But when a woman like you, now here's the part that gets a little bit complicated, but just listen to me. Particularly on a younger man, I even on a older man too, don't even understand the game. And what I'm about to say, when my son, a little bit contradictory, but just listen and you will understand. Just listen carefully. When a woman like you, particularly if she experience, she already a do so. Trust me, she know from the first 3 or 4 times, even before she talk to you, if she could have end up asleep with you. Let me say that. When a woman like you, she know from the, probably before, from she observe you, or from she talk to you 2 or 3 times, you know, or so. She have a good idea if she gonna end up sleep with you. This is where no found a man make a mistake. That don't mean say she go sleep with you. Women can enjoy wanting to sleep with you and will never sleep with you. Sounds confusing, don't it? Women can enjoy the thought of sleeping with you and will come over like they will want to sleep with you right now. And then if you go to them and say, can I sleep with you? They'd be like, no. Right? So that may sound confusing. However, if a woman like you like that, she know if she got to sleep with you. And if you play your cards right, depending on the timing, she will give it up. But a woman, when she says to herself, say, yeah, she want you, I go sleep with you, but she not ready yet. And you, the man, can do something will make she change her mind and she don't like you like that again and don't want to sleep with you anymore. Again, you, a woman who want you, she not tell you, you know. In different ways, them not tell you, you know, just you have to find out, you know. But that woman will like you, you know, and fantasize to sleep with you, you know, and all them something they quietly. Not tell you, you know, you have to figure it out to know if she like you. But then you can't go do something wrong or say something wrong or move wrong or something or whatever and just turn her off and she not like you like that again. See? So you know as a player now, when you're there on a woman now, no two women is the same. So depending on if you want one half a woman now, you have to read a woman then now. Cause yes, some woman will like you like that and be like, you ready? Let's go. Yeah. One pop. And send it on. And you may think you are run it or whatever. She don't want to sleep with you already and decide, say, yo, I want one half of you. But she will make you believe, say, you will get it from her, you know. But poor you. She play a coy and I do that look of something there and whatever. And me don't know, me know this. But she don't know, say she go sleep with you already and she ready long time. All right? So you have that something there. And the next woman now, she want to sleep with you, you know. But in a fear mind, it's not the time yet. She not ready yet, you know, or something like so. And you have to figure it out and just say, one of them women where you have to kind of juggle and thing and take a look at time and sitting, right? So I tell you about this Italian girl, you know. So them time them they have a you know, me a bad boy, you know, star boy, you know, popular and all them something they involved in a worry or something, you know, big man pan campus, the whole work. So I know say she like me, you know. And my school, you had a lot of rich, wealthy students there from, you know, wealthy families from all over the world who weren't exposed to black people. And there is always this curiosity element with some of them, you know, what it's like to sleep with a black guy. So you have to know for juggle that, you know. So me in her years, her lyrics are and thing and whatever. But me know say she like me, you know, but she have that look afraid of thing there and a look screechy thing there and whatever. So you know the whole thing with woman now, you have to make them feel safe. Yeah. I mean I work it. So till one night now, when the club are going now, she tell me about one thing they go on up on the golf course, you know. We do a drama club when we did it and whatever, and she hear about it, and she asks about it and whatever, and boom, bam, bam, bim. So, I tell her it go on at night, you know, some bad sitting they go on, you know, picnic, college picnic, I make trouble. So she asks about it, so she hear about it. So I tell her about it and thing and whatever, up on the golf course, you know, in the night. And she asked about the golf course in the dark. So I said, nah, man, yeah, the golf course dark, but then it just dark enough for them, something there, you know. And she said, yeah, but I pass the golf course all the while and thing and whatever. And I can't imagine myself, whatever. I said, you're a vassal, you know. Nobody not going to do nothing a vassal. We're safe here, you know. She's like, yeah, that's true and whatever. And then I say, all right, here we are going. After the club closed, I carry you up at the golf club. I carry go show you the golf course at that time of night. And she give me that look, they like, you know that look there what woman give you when it's like, she process it, you know. And then she said, okay, yeah, I'll go with you. And right there, some know say it a go run, you know. You know when you know it a go run without it being said to you, right? So she said, yeah, I'll go with you. So them time I tell her, say, why, you have your little thing, you run off your little thing, you have your little link, that link there, you have that link there, and ease off the whole of them because the Italian night that night there, you know, up at the golf course, right? So I neatly ease off all of that little link and whatever, you know. And line up Italian, you know, golf course I do it, you know, I look at Jim Screechy movements and thing and check off and send off his staff quick and tell everybody, say, I go home, I have work for doing all them. Not a work, you know, at time I done line it up with Italian, you know. And then I line up a little meeting spot I want down with the name Ferry. Because that the road for go up at the golf courses. So when the time come now for go down, I'm go, so I'm call her. My girl go say, yeah, I'm coming. I'm hear like her speech a slur a little bit, you know? So man, pay no mind. So I'm go, so now, we did for meet at Ferry. So she said, no, something did happen. And I said, no, some people out there, you know, so just go up the road for go up a ferry, you have to cross one look out. Pond or lake or whatever for go up. I tell her, go up and thing and whatever. I say, I don't want nobody see you, man. You're mad, man. Some people out there, whatever, just go up. Boom. And car boy, you're bad them time there, you know. And then when I meet her up there, I see her and laugh and whatever, and we easy and thing. I say, my girl, just a rock, so and a rock. So I say, what's up? She said, yeah, I'm ready for you. So, you are? She said, yeah, I'm ready for you. Yeah, but you know, I'm so scared. I had to get drunk to do this. What? I'm scared of you, Kingsley. I'm scared of you, so I had to get drunk to do this. So I'm like, well, I think you know what's up, but there's nothing wrong with, you know, people having like a drink or two, you know? Or if they're in a relationship already, and it's already established, there's nothing wrong with a couple saying, yo, we're gonna get fucked up and do this or whatever, boom, bam, bam. I say, you and I about to do this for the first time. You didn't say you had a drink. You say you had to get drunk to come be with me. She's like, yeah, that's the only way I can do it. So I'm just tell her, I say, yo, I don't sleep with drunk women. She like, what? I say, I don't sleep with drunk. First of all, it's unattractive to me. Second, at the first time we do it. Third, you's a white woman, me's a black man. Me an idiot. You's a white woman, me's a black man in America. Fourth, you from a rich family in Italy with this history and whatever this and that. Me is this Jamaican you from my own and whatever this. Fifth, round them time the Spike Lee movie Jungle Fever did a go. Right? And thing, let me just tell my girl, say, yo, this is not gonna happen, man. And she was like, after all this time, after all these, you know, whatever and this and that, you saw this build up. I want to do this. I told my friends I'm gonna do it. You did what? I told my friends I'm going to do this. What friends? I told my girlfriends that I'm going to sleep with you tonight. And when we're not sleeping together. You chat too much. That's the other thing. You understand? What we say, what is discipline? Discipline is making the choices, doing what you have to do, even when you don't feel like doing it. That is what discipline is. Mike Tyson was very articulate in communicating this. And what Raga always are telling, what is a cardinal rule I live by? You see the thing you enjoy the most, the thing you need the most, always be able to say no to it. Anything where you enjoy that gives you amazing pleasure and you're just addicted to it and you just love it so. Or anything where you need for your survival or whatever, like you're desperate for it, you must still be able to say no to it. And your capacity to say no to it, it means that is your level of discipline. Because it's something that is hard to do. It's a choice that is hard to make. And you have to have this clarity or vision and your posture, your stance, where you are, what are the variables surrounding you, what are the possible consequences, and what you have to be strategic. And I tell her, nope, not happening. That time cocky stiff and the whole works. And after she said that, the boy got on. Because y'all know, me and my thing, we have conversation. Right? So when my buddy said to me, so you're not going to do this? I'm like, no, we're not. And I'm like, why? And I'm like, it's not a good idea. Me threaten me. Me put me in a compromising position. Me end up in a jail all boat. It's not safe. If it's not safe for me, it's not safe for you. And my buddy agreed. Not happening. Now, there is you know, say someone enough. Just easy. All right. Now, Miss Lady never too pleased about that, but who cares? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and she have me away and have me half away and, you know, not never run after that, but that's all right. That's all right. You have to have discipline. And not because you can do it means that you must do it. Not because you can do it means that you must do it. I remember, you know, in the Jamaica when me raised in, you know, that is a no. The way Jamaican men are raised, and I hope I can teach my boys this, you know. You know, if I say no to front. In fact, Jamaican women use that against Jamaican men all the time. When they like a man, it don't come up, you know, when 10 million man look them and them no want a man there, you know. But if them like a man, and the man not reciprocate, them thinks there's something wrong with the man. Which me always I tell woman, you know, for stop them something them man. You know, for just like how you can say no, you know, for make man feel secure if you say no to. Right? It's not uncommon for your Jamaican woman say, now what wrong with him? A which man say no to front. Whenever your Jamaican woman say them something there, then that something must be wrong with him. He might be man, or what wrong with him? A which man say no to front. Don't you hear them something there already from Jamaican woman, though? Yeah, that's a culture where we raise, you know. If a woman, if front dead if you take from a woman, and she do it, you're supposed to take it, or else you're no man. Yeah, man, we used to live by that too. And it's a very Jamaican thing. But it's not a safe thing. Because if you're like that, you can be controlled. You can, you know, if somebody old for you can get set up. Right? If you have that mentality, then no, you are run your program. Or somebody else are run your program. Because if them know say you are forever attached to that rule, that principle, that you don't have the capacity to say no to it and thing, no discipline, right? You know, you don't have no body discipline, then you don't own your body. Anybody, any random person can come just own your body. I'm gonna join us something there. If you're a real man own them body. You know what I say? Real man own them body. So me and Miss Lady, that never go on. And I must say the last day of school when we graduate, she finally come and say, "Hi Kingsley." And I'm like, "Hi. I just want to say you're a great guy and da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, and, you know, I wish you all the best." Because we're graduating. And I was like, "Yeah, that's cool." Never chat to me again after that, but me never care. You have to have body discipline. All right. And by the way, men, you see, man, well, no, I'm not going to go there so because, yeah, that kind of hard for explain. One other thing real quick, before we start take some calls and all these things. Sub live later, show going to turn into subscribers. Like, no, man, that's, yeah, she did upset because of that, but that's just a standard thing with women, you know. If a woman like you and I run it by you and you don't take it or whatever, the woman never gonna beat you. It just goes, you know, they might go say all kind of things and whatever, just so the things said. So you just work with it, you know. But what me I say is, me I talk about something different. The Kardashians, we're pivoting now. So I had a conversation with some friends of mine, and I was arguing up. It started from you know, what are the requirements for law school? So I was explaining to them that the whole law school process and thing, you know, and one conversation led to another. Then it went over to Kim Kardashian, and that you know, she wants to be a lawyer, and she has been doing the apprenticeship thing. There's some states you can do the apprenticeship thing, you know. So that's the route she's taking, you know. And then one of my friends said, "Well, at least one of the Kardashians is finally trying to be talented at something." And where they're coming from is her dad was a lawyer, who died. But where they're coming from is there's this moniker out there that says the Kardashian is that there's no talent among them, right? That, you know, they're popular, they're rich and whatever, but they have absolutely no talent, right? So I was trying to make the argument to my friends that in one context, that's true, but in another context, it's not. Because for those of you who don't know, probably a little bit on the younger side, all the Kardashians, the daughters, right? So their father was on the O.J. Simpson legal team. He was already well known in California as a pretty good defense lawyer. Then all the lawyers on the O.J. team, led by Johnny Cochran, became well known, like celebrity lawyers. He passed. After he passed, I don't know what happened in their family, but they went through some, supposedly, that was the argument. They went through, their lives had to be adjusted because he was the one bringing in the millions, and then the millions weren't coming in anymore. And then Kim Kardashian got involved with a young black entertainer called Reggae, brother of the singer and actress Brandy. And a video was made. A video was made of their tryst, of them doing it. And the video got out. And the video was sensational. It was spectacular. It was salacious. We were seeing everything. And it was a big deal for those of you who weren't around at the time. It was a big mix-up, big mix-up about what happened with that video. Interestingly, that video ushered in a sex video phase in American society, in celebrity culture, believe it or not, for those of you who remember. After that video, the Kim Kardashian Reggae video, there was a thing. I swear to you, ask anybody who understand it from them time. How long ago was that? It was like 20-something years ago. There was a thing like, no, seriously, like if you did want boss, if you want your career boss, like a sex video had to come out about you. I swear to God, it was ridiculous. It was crazy. There were people like doing stuff and act like a sex video accidentally come out to get ratings. It was ridiculous. Then the Paris Hilton video came out. It was like, then, you know, at a micro level in Jamaica, you know, you had our share of celebrities with their videos coming out, and you know the two female entertainers who were on a certain television station in Jamaica. We had our versions of it, the high school videos with high schoolers, you know, doing it. It went crazy in Jamaica, but it wasn't just Jamaica. It was in Trinidad. It was all over. There was just this thing about sex videos, you know. But it was just kicked off by that video with Kim Kardashian and Ray J. And then after that, when that video went out, I'm not getting into this, but she was only dating black guys. So she dated a famous football player, Reggie Bush, and then there were others. Of course, you all know about Kanye. But there was this one white guy who, I think she was engaged to him for a while and just fling with that. And then after that, whatever, boom, boom. But their mother, who happened to be with a black man right now, their mother, Kris Jenner, and of course, Kris Jenner had a husband, and that husband turned into a woman, and it was a scandal after scandal. But the publicity that was that came from the video, which was supposed to be something negative and bad that happened to her. Kris Jenner, whatever you want to say about that woman, because a lot of people don't know that she was a genius behind it, you know. She spun the shit out of that video and made her daughter a phenomenal, well, I don't know about phenomenal, but she just managed all these opportunities associated with the video. Now, here's the thing. If your mind is not thinking a certain way, you won't even see the opportunities. You can just start bawl, cry, and be weepy and just disappear and be like, you're shame for life or whatever. But Kris Jenner, she told her daughter, like, we're going to spin this. And we're going to use this bad thing that they put out about you, and we're going to make the best of it. And that launched Kim Kardashian into international notoriety. Then came the merch. Then came the show business opportunities. Then came the strategic appearances at certain events. Then came the strategic dating, you know, to remain in the spotlight and whatever. And it was all designed to accrue value on a particular brand. And again, managed by Kris Jenner. Then after Kim got out there, then you had the shows. They had this different thing. Then you had the shows, the Kardashians. And it was at the right time when reality TV, where what's the reality TV, the one with the island, with it kick off like thousands of reality TV all over the world. It's still about now. What I want the name again? Survivor, yeah. When the Survivor thing take off and thing, not Love Island, man. Love Island, them thing they lay. A Survivor was like the big reality show them time. And it just shut off everything and then for them reality show just take off. People, for all you who are saying that the Kardashians have no talent, you're wrong. You are so wrong. They might not be actresses, they might not be singers, they might not be, whatever. But sometimes when I give motivational speeches, I say to people, this is one of the secrets to success. Start where you are. Use what you have. And do what you can. Start where you are. Use what you have. You might not have everything. And do what you can. And that might mean you start from little and nothing. But that's where you are. Start right there. You want to sell rag? Start sell a one rag. Start where you are. Use what you can. Start where you are. Use what you have. And do what you can. Sidebar. Again, I knew this lady in West Kingston. She used to walk and sell out a cigarette, single cigarette out of one box. Then she had about 3 boxes. Them time you did have one cigarette named Benson. Young people not gonna know it. They name Benson and Hedges. But some man smoke that. Mataron was always popular behind Craven name. So she didn't end up sell them 3 there. Then she moved from there and she started sell the packs, but she buy them in cartons. And then one time I don't see her and thing or whatever and thing and I can't find her. And them said, no man, she have a stall now. When I go over there, she have a stall, but she just said cigarette. Then on the stall, she start put on cheese tricks on them, something and expand and thing or whatever. A long time after I got the stall get bigger, she get her next stall, but put it beside the one where she have on whatever. So she was doing something there, right? Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. I travel and come up and thing, and I come back, I look for her and can't find her. And then them say, no man, she have a shop now. When I go over a shop, big ray, boom, mommy, you say you have a shop. No, man, I have to come spend her money over your shop and thing and whatever. Me and her there. And she said, yeah, I was one little piece of shop you have and whatever, boom. And she did a sweep. You know, Jamaican, them sprinkle water and sweep. So she sprinkle water and sweep. So she move her from the shop. So when she move her, me in her shop, you know, but she move her and whatever. And she said, come here, look a bit. And when I come over there, she said, oh, between me and you know, me have one neck shop, you know. And she tell me the shop there, you know, and say, but not tell nobody, me no want them know, say me have one neck shop, because you know, people bad mind, I know. Right? And I say, you realize, say, you come from one box of craving here? She said, yeah, me know. And one box of craving here I come from, you know. And she said, but no, that me didn't have to know, so I just start with that. People, for somebody, I move from one box of craving here, end up with 2 shop. He means that she had to have been strategic. She had to have been disciplined. When we say discipline is doing what you have to do even when you don't feel like doing it. That's discipline. Doing what you have to do. Discipline and what you do what you do when you feel for do it, you know. Discipline, the difference between people who are successful and whatever. There are times when them not feel like go do what them need for do, and them get up and them go do what them need for do. That's discipline. You mean a sports and you're a trainer, you have to get up 4 or 5 o'clock and you're like, oh God, no. And them get up and them train and whatever and thing like that, and them apply that discipline and the results show when them in the Olympics and them win and them do well, right? So she must have done that. The same thing, must have been the case. When I mean, I say about the Kardashian them and thing, right? My acting teacher, when I was at the Jamaica National School of Drama, he said, one of the things with people who are talented, but then who are disciplined in them rehearsals and things like that and whatever, is that when they end up performing, you want to be so good that people look at you and think, I could do that. Right? You want to be so good, which requires discipline, application, sacrifice, being strategic and whatever, that when you're producing your results, people look at your results and think it's easy. But it's not easy, right? So people here see Celine Dion sing and think, well, singing is easy. Look how Celine do it easy or whatever. It's not easy, right? You're talking about a woman who has the discipline. And like I said, I saw her in an interview and she said she had to go to get training to learn how to cough properly. And the interview was like, what do you mean cough properly? And she said, no, my lung, my throat, this is my instrument. And you have to cough properly because if you don't cough properly, it's going to damage your instrument. That requires discipline. She has to be applying that all the time. So I'm just saying, people look at the Kardashians and it looks simple. Oh, all them do, them not a talent. Them just sit on there and chat and whatever and make a whole heap of money off of it. You'd be mistaken. So my argument is the Kardashians, they started where they were. Kris Jenner, especially, use what they have. It was a disaster. People were crying shame and disgrace and all them something and whatever. Start where you are. Use what you have. Start where you are. Do what you can. Use what you have and do what you can. Start where you are. Use what you have and do what you can. You might not be able to do what you really want to do because you don't have the resources to do what you really want to do. So just do what you can and build from this up. So it's inaccurate to say the Kardashians are not talented. Right? And you see what happened? Kris go out there. And them skillful enough come up with something or put Chloe out there. And then put the other sister out there, the one I like, Courtney. She's the coolest one in my opinion, right? And them sent it round them and them did have some look a younger one them and them known, them too young, no put them out there yet. And tight round them and them did have some look a younger one them and them known, them too young, no put them out there yet. And Kim, the anchor, Kim carried Chloe. Kim carried Courtney into stardom. Remember, you know, Kim had come from a sex video, you know. A big negative sex video. And she carried Courtney, Chloe, and she carried Courtney and them brother didn't I to Rob didn't I to at that time, you know. And then after a while, them bring in the other one. What's she name? Kendall. I saw she name Kendall. And the other one, and then bring it. One of them, the makeup one, she's a billionaire now. Kim is valued at hundreds and hundreds of millions. The whole of them a millionaire. Right? Kylie and Kendall, them two there, them bring in them two there after. And don't believe them never have problems. Nobody reach this without problems. But it's how them manage the problem. Right? So it's inaccurate. In a competitive space like the United States of America, where business is like, can be so ruthless, right? There had to have been, there must be the application of some formula on the part of Kris Jenner, you know, that she communicated to her daughters. After losing her celebrity husband, their celebrity lawyer father who was bringing in millions and there was no millions anymore. Think about it, people. For them to, you know, adjust the way they did and to, you know, work with their strengths. Work with their strengths. They'd have to sit down and say, all right, what we can do? Them never have no talent in a the sense where society say if you have talent. Them are not a big actor, the actress. Them nobody was a computer scientist. Nobody was an incredible dancer or whatever. Them work with what them have and what them did have. Their culture, them American Valley Girl, California Valley Girl culture, you know? And they monetized that. They branded that and monetized it, right? Them are that, you know, we can't do it like them, but when they know them, oh my God, that is just so OMG, and them do them little thing and whatever, and this is so and so and so and so on. The world ate it up. These young girls love them all over the world. Brand things are selling. Remember one time I go to Miami and me there Jamaica them time there and thing, and you know, me come up on a shop in Miami and me and I be, you know, she did a shop too, you know. And then she said she want to go to Dash. I said, I want name, sir. She said, you don't know the store Dash? I'm like, "Oh." And I saw she explained, said, no, the Kardashians, Kardashians, them have a store named Dash. And when we go over the store, you want to see the bully by them foreign picnic who come Miami and thing, you know, they just want to be associated with Dash. And whenever I'm a jab back, I pray, I say, whatever you may say about the Kardashians, the perfume, all kind of thing, it's inaccurate to say that they don't have talent. Because by saying that they don't have talent, it means that you're not fully understanding what talent is, which means you also might be unaware that you have talent. You have talent that you can be successful with in some way. We all do. It's just the thinking. You have to have the thinking for no say, okay, if you find out, what am I talented at? But if you're following that conventional, traditional paradigm of what talent is, then you might think you don't have talent. Just like how you think the Kardashians don't have talent. Do the Kardashians have talent like how other people have talent? No, them can't sing good, them can't dance good, them whatever, you know. Even now, the way she's working her way to being a lawyer, it's the non-traditional way, because somewhere in the mix, she might say, oh, I can't go law school away there, you know, so I'm not going to go come, I'm not going to do well. So is there another way to get a lawyer? That's the game. And whatever way she's using, I guarantee you she's using her talent, which might be her looks, being persuasive, or the way she talks to people or whatever. But they're very strategic. And they are indeed very talented. The Kardashians are talented. You don't get to accomplish what they did without having some form of talent. By the same token, there's a certain man right now who is doing so much that understandably so many of us, people don't really understand what the end game is, but his end game is frightening. But one of the big mistakes people make is that with him is that they're like, he's an idiot. He don't have no talent. They're wrong. You don't get to do what this man has done. You know, every time him lose and him bounce back and him come back and thing, you don't get to be in that position of leadership without having talent. It might not be the talent that you usually identify with the people who, the past people who achieved that position of leadership. Well, it not might. It's definitely not the talent that you usually have to have in order to get that position of leadership that, you know, that we're accustomed to. But it's incorrect to say he's not talented. If you say he's not talented, then you have a somewhat of a one-dimensional, a restricted, constrained definition of talent. But he's talented. In fact, if anybody gonna beat him, it is imperative that they understand that this is where he's talented and figure out where he's talented, because trust me, he already has figured out where he's talented. Because one thing with that man, you know, when I observe him, he doesn't try to be what he's not. He will try to fool you. He will fool you for you to think he's something that he's not. But again, that's his talent. But you can't say he's not talented. You cannot have accomplished what that man has accomplished without being talented, right? So if you say he has nothing and he's a failure in this and failure in that and think then that's him in totality, you're wrong. He's certainly not talented in the traditional areas where people are usually talented, but he is talented in some areas, and he know how to start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. And that is what that man does. He knows how to make people play on his playing field with his rules. And that requires talent. And please, nobody write his name over here. Okay? So again, I'm just saying all this to say, again, the first thing is, it's wrong to say the Kardashians have no talent. It is categorically incorrect. They're talented. They're very talented. And they are brilliant and strategic with their talent. They make choices. Some of those work. The Stewart thing don't work. It flop after, it died out after a while. So, you know, you do this work for a while. You have to know when there's a talent in knowing when to Lego something. Some people don't know when to Lego something. I'm not a fan of Mr. Wonderful, you know, on Shark Tank, but he's right about, you know, sometimes you have to take the rooster behind the bar and shoot it, something like so. It takes talent to know when to let go and to not feel guilty about it. It takes talent, you know. It takes talent to know how to make good choices and when to let go. It takes talent to sustain, you know. So the Kardashians are very talented, in my opinion. It is incorrect to say the Kardashians have no talent. Okay. The billionaires in the Kardashian and the multimillionaires and so forth and things like that. And once you understand that, then you're more open to understand your talent and to know you might not become a billionaire or have hundreds of millions of dollars, but I guarantee you, every one of you have some sort of ability that if packaged the right way, marketed the right way, and put out there, you can get, you can attain success from it. Every one of you. Every one of you. Every one of you, you have your talent. It might not be a traditional, it might not be a talent that falls within the traditional framework of what most people consider talent. But every one of you have some talent that can be branded, monetized, and marketed in some way for you to achieve success. And most of these people you see out there who are successful multimillionaires and all this stuff, people like to call Elon Musk a genius. Elon Musk is not a genius. Elon Musk is not a genius. You know what Elon Musk is? Elon Musk is an extremely talented project manager. Elon Musk is talented in seeing things that other people are doing and appropriating them and then marketing it like it says, like he came up with it, and expanding it significantly. He's very talented in that way. Extremely talented. To the person who keep on a posting on the chat with potty belly, stop it, okay? You keep on a post about the same thing and whatever, okay? All right. That is what he's talented in. Now, he's also talented in convincing people he's a genius, which he's not. There is nothing that Elon Musk do that is original, you know. You see this thing where he come out with these robots? No, when he want to come out with these personal robots. People, it's exactly out of the movie iRobot, right? And we have an instance it already, but like the fullest manifestation of it is what Elon Musk is telling you about with the robots and thing. Anybody who watched the movie iRobot with Will Smith, it's exactly what Elon Musk is coming out with. But is it easy to manufacture those robots and to refine them and all these stuff? No, it's not. It's going to require, you know, excellent management skills to do that. And he has some of that. Elon Musk is not a genius. Elon Musk became a billionaire from Democrat priorities, right? It's Democrats who are into green energy and them something there, right? Most of the money Elon Musk get was from the government, state government and federal government. Primarily state California. California is a liberal blue state who champion Democrat priorities, which green energy is one. When Elon Musk said I come with Tesla and whatever, California was like, this is great. Go for it. This is what we love. He got a lot of money from California. He got a lot of money from the federal government to subsidize the sale of Tesla, right? It's not Republican priorities that made Elon Musk a billionaire with Tesla. It's Democrat. And then, after him reach up to them, him feel like, say, no, them can't do without me now. Him switch up a thing now and say, I move from California and go Texas. And then start full of himself and start wild up a same Republican. Is that a genius? No, you're a fucking idiot. Right? You're a fool. And in reality, knock him now and him realize, say, wait, I'm not all that, whatever. So him have to back up now and thing like that, right? That's not a genius, right? That is not a genius. No, you come full frontal, you're in a full frontal, I'll call it cataclysmic clash with the priorities of the party that you're from. Were you a genius, you would know that big oil underpins that party. You are a threat to big oil. You're a threat to Texas oil. You're a threat to these oil people or whatever who want to sell gas. That has always been, that's the game. It's always been a Republican priority over there with, you know, the oil money and thing. And the subsidiaries that branch out from the oil economy. You're a threat to that. There's no secret there. How much of a genius you are to have not realized that to somehow think that, you know, you could prevail over those people and things. And you just come. What do you think? You're a star boy. Right? But he's a very good project manager. He's a very talented project manager. You understand? So, two key elements for success, you know, in terms of innovation is creativity and imagination, right? You have to have all these other ingredients in place, but creativity and imagination. He's not necessarily, you know, the brightest person there. He's not a genius there. He knows how to get bright people. That thing where the rocket goes up and when after the booster rocket pull off, it comes back and land on whatever Very good project manager to get the people, the right people to do it. But it's not his knowledge. It's not his genius knowledge that did that, right? Him first big money when he make was from PayPal. I never him start PayPal. In the end, him buy out the people who started and then associated with him. But it wasn't him who started. I never Elon Musk started again, right? Right? So what I'm saying is, you have to know what your talent is. And whether you want to trick people with it after, is your business. But know what, I mean, I tell you, say, everyone I know who I watch me right now, I'm talented. Right? Me? I'm no genius with whatever. I was never, someone was some bright. Bright where? Me not bright. I can't tell on the people who bright. Me the amongst people who really, really bright. Anything when me accomplish educationally, me didn't have to study hard for it. Right? But I was always around people who this come natural for them. Right? But me, I was never one of the people who the thing come. Me have to study. I study hard and figure out manage my time and them something there. Right? But me, I'm a performer. I'm an entertainer. Right? So when I was at the University of the West Indies, that student saying like, he's such a great lecturer. He's the best lecturer, right? So you have students saying that. Yeah, you have to know the material and communicate it. Yeah, there were lots of other professors there who know their material way better than I know my material. Let me say that again. There were lots of other professors there, at the different universities that I've taught, who know their material better than I know my material. So, but me know my material too, But what they don't have, what me have in terms of talent is, I go on a stage and I can take over that fucking room. And I know that about me. I can own a room. Right? I know my talent. Charisma. I'm a charismatic person. You don't have to tell me anything. You don't have to give me a script. You can give me some random stuff and whatever. Creativity and imagination, the two most important things for success in anything. This is what I think. You could give me something like this and say, make up a story. And then, like when I was in acting school, they will do this, There's a form of, some of you may hear of method acting, right? It's a form of acting originated by a man called Konstantin Stanislavski from Russia. And it has spread all over, so a lot of actors use it. But then we give you something like this and say, okay, make up a story right now. Somebody like me would say, she was traversing through Grand Central Station, and her unsanitizer fell. And as soon as it fell at the foot, she saw size 12 Bostonian shoes. And before she could touch it, this man took it up and said, here it is. And as she looked in her eyes, she did not know that the man who just picked up her sanitizer was destined to be her husband. But then he gave her a sanitizer and he left and stuff. And then she looked at her clean, her clean shape. Cock a fart. And What I'm saying, I can just start. I don't have to think. I don't have to write it out. I can just do what they refer to as stream of consciousness, and just start making up a story about something and thing, and then something about the lip gloss. I know she accidentally bite the lip thing and it tasted bad in her mouth or something. I mean, just start make up thing and whatever it is. That's creativity. That is creativity, right? Imagination is saying something like, the liquid from the moisturizer fell at 10 past 12, which was the minute that the circadian rhythm of the sun intersected with an eclipse from another time, sending gamma rays over, resulting in the creation of a new species, unbeknownst to humanity, minuscule in its manifestation, which was lodged in an ice cream and consumed by Chloro Spengali. With that new creation, feeding off her, just like the aliens in the movie. That's imagination. That's imagination. You just come up with something, you come up with some fantastic Narnia, Harry Potter-like type of thing and whatever. I can do stuff like, of course, I'm just kind of improvising now. But that is what I do. Some of the stuff you see me do here, I don't plan it. It just did it. But can somebody else do it? Can everybody else do it? No. My talent is I can talk, I can entertain, I can present, right? But as I say, una have phone thing too. Everybody have for them thing. All I want to have some kind of talent where you can use, particularly in this thing where them call creator economy, where there's so much space right now to be you, to experiment, to do different things, to love to fail. To love to fail. You know, work for failing. You just love failing, where failing means you're always doing and improving. Improving on your failures and your mistake and thing. You feel in the environment. You try this, you try that, boom, 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 boom. And you keep going. I'm telling you, the Kardashians, they must have had a bunch of failures coming up. Elon Musk had a bunch of failures. Barack Obama had a bunch of failures. They all do. But people just see when they're successful, right? Michael Jordan missed a whole bunch of baskets. You know? You all have talent, so be careful when you say, oh, the Kardashians, them now have no talent, because in doing so, you might be working off a model where you yourself now recognize your talent just like how you now recognize the Kardashians' talent, okay? And then losing out in doing so. And not seeing where your pot of gold did it. You see what I say? All right. I just want to share that those of you who are used to my show, that's no surprise to you that I do this. I still have the people, the new people who are like, so I mix up a one. And then I have to tell them about them parts. I send them somewhere, ignore them. But we all know that this is part of what I do over here, okay? Remember, everybody have talent. Everybody is talented in some way. Just as some people don't see their own talent. And sometimes we only function around people who themselves do not see your talent. And perhaps if you change your mindset, change your framework, change how you see things and interpret things, perhaps you would see some high value talent that you possess. And then you can do something about it. And remember, success and growth. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. I see Jimmy Q making some videos now, some instructional videos. I'm going to drop back on me and say, watch my little brother. I've never talked to him about this, you know. So in probably just a year, may I say it now. I say, watch my little brother. And he's doing all these instructional videos. And I'm like, very good. Start where you are. Use what you have. And do what you can. You might not have everything to start yet. You have all these people who have all these grand plans to do all these things, and they never friggin' start. Because they don't have everything in place yet. Sometimes you just gotta dive in, man. Sometimes you just have to go in and just start where you're there. Just start where you're there. There are people who start and I say, boy, I may not have this and I can't do this and whatever. Yeah, you not have it, but what you have, you need to have this, them three things. Oh, but you only have this. And thing at this, well, at this, me I gonna use this, because at this me have, so me I gonna use this, Start where you are, use what you have. All right, what me I gonna do with this? Ideally, me need them 3 things you have to do what me want to do. So, me can't get for do what me did want to do, because me don't have the 3 things, but me I gonna start where me have. Me I gonna start which part me there right now. At this me only have, all right, what me can do with this? All right, me I gonna work with this now. So, me go and work with this, because boom, bam, 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 bam. Me do that all the while and it worked for me. Me do that all the while and it worked for me. Right? Stephen Covey said, successful people start with the end in mind. 7 habits of highly effective people. And I like that particular habit of his 7. Right? I remember when I was in Jamaica and I was just like, I want to have some show in a national arena. Yeah, I want to have some show in a national arena. It's a political part. I say, I want to do some show in a national arena. It just never did it yet. I'm going to start with Mixup An Blenda. I want to place near backyard on Kingston Spring Road. And anybody can tell you, me did reach national arena. Had several shows in the national arena. All out of my pocket. Me pay for them. Out of my pocket. Millions out of my pocket. I make people tell you, Mixup An Blenda did rise to national arena. Right? Start where you are. Use what you have. And do what you can. And while you're going through that, make sure you use creativity and your imagination. Those 2 things are going to be instrumental in adding value to whatever it is you're producing in a way where your product is differentiated from everybody else. All right? So start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. And while you're going through all those processes, use creativity and your imagination to make your product different from everybody else. I'm doing that right now. When I'm doing my show, I'm doing that right now. You may not notice it, but I'm applying that formula. Right? Every day I come here, I'm applying that formula. I'm figuring out some way to differentiate my product where you can only come here to get that. Part of it is, for example, is community building. It has always been a formula in my arsenal. I know how to build community. Community are composed of characters, salient characters. And I know how to identify things and to continually play with things and to do certain things in a fun way, in an imaginative way, in a creative way, where these characters emerge in the constitution of community. There's a psychological element to what I do. I'm creating a unit where people feel they belong to. Because when people feel they belong to it and you're honest and truthful with the way you're communicating, people will look forward to being here. I know what I'm doing. When I hear some of you say to me, Raga, you can't start late, because sometimes when 6:20 come and I not see and whatever, I kind of get anxious and whatever. I will laugh and chat with you, but there's another part of me that's saying, that person is saying they look forward to their community. Sometime I look in the chat, this lady said, oh God, here we go, my favorite time of the day. It's a statement, but for me, it's evidence of community. Are we all in one place? No. But the community is from the platform, TikTok and TamFam and, and what I do. And the characters that emerge, we have Squeaky, we have Trumpy, we have ANC, we have SDC, we have, my son come, Zion, come say hello or whatever. There's a lot going on there that I understand. But that is what I am good at. That is my talent as a leader and as a person who understands certain elements of this thing that I'm establishing. And does it take work? Yes. And go back to where it requires discipline. If I'm tired one evening and think, I get up and I come and I still turn up. There's some evenings I'm out of it. There's some evenings, there's all kind of pressure on me and whatever. And you got to turn up. You have to be disciplined. Because when you turn up every day and so forth, something happen later on down. I guarantee you, it always happens. Something big is going to happen among us. That people are going to think that happened in isolation. But I will understand that it didn't. It happened because of what you're doing now, what I am doing now, turning up, discipline, 6 o'clock, evening time, boom, bang, bang, bing, you know? Is it perfect? No. Sometimes I don't get to do what I want to do, but you keep going. Establishing that community, and then that community will yield some magic later on that we wouldn't be able to predict, you know? All right? Seeing? And give thanks to my Baileys. Sub live later. Again, remember, we're not having a sub live show tomorrow. Tomorrow, and for the rest of the weekend, it's all about Jidiboo. It's all about my daughter, Jide's birthday weekend, okay? So I got stuff planned for goods. You see what I say? Anyway, Kardashians are talented. You are talented. Find your talent. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. And while you do, be creative and use your imagination. And finally, have fun doing it. Have fun making mistakes. Have fun laughing after yourself when you screw up. Have fun learning from your mistakes. Enjoy the ride. Enjoy the journey. Okay. All right. So what go on? Go ahead, Baileys look water down. Come for me, Raga. Why she want? Right? Poor she late. I'm done telling us I'm like when it water down. That's why I'm put enough ice in it. Come want to be like, it's not alcohol for me, you know. It's just like a nice, refreshing, tasted drink, you know. That's why. Cause Baileys, I like the creaminess, but it's kind of thick, you know. That's why them serve a little bit. But if you notice, me have a big jug or something, you know, so all this needs some more ice. Cause he's a sipper. You see me? Anyway, what go on with the people? What go on with know? What go on differently? What's going on? What's going on? Talk to me. Ricardo, big up yourself, big up yourself. Yo, all who not subscribe. Well, on all who there, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. If you're watching the show and you're not follow me yet, follow me now. If you like the creaminess, pretty one queen, know yourself, I like the creaminess. I like creamy, you say, I'm if I tell you, don't. All right. Creamy is good. Watch ya! People! You know, this is a cooker come back. Hey, cooker, you know, say a fool you take big man for. Eh? Cooker, we beat you what day, you know. Cooker, first you come, Raga. I'm going to buy 10 tickets for your giveaway. Don't worry yourself. I'm going to buy 10 tickets for giveaway. 10 tickets for giveaway. Right? People, if me say something we never go so, say Raga, a lie you tell. If me say something we never go so, say Raga, a lie. 10 tickets for giveaway. Then after you come, yes, Raga, 10 tickets for giveaway. And which woman want to come with me? With the, you know, when we give her the 10 tickets or whatever, I mean, I listen to the little bitch, you know. You know I say, well, yeah, you start sneaking one little part now, yeah. You must think that the woman is an idiot, right? 10 tickets for giveaway and no. Then one day the man attacked to me and then out I blew the man I said, yeah man, so remember me tell you something, I'm gonna give you 5 tickets. Yeah man, remember me tell you something, I give you the 5 ticket, me gonna give you, 5 ticket. And remind me, I said, it's a cook at a big man for fool, So the 10 ticket dropped to 5, boom so. The man not even go a year. The man just go way down a 5, I work with it, I not send nothing to the dog, and cook a go on and I work. All of a sudden, me hear cook, I say, yeah, man, I want 5 ticket for me, and you can't give a 3. Right? You keep the one, you give a 3. Yo, people cook a real channel, Yeah. And the way we are going on, no ticket now go buy. No ticket now go buy, What I say? No ticket now go buy. Cook a fool, you take big man for no. And them look a candle you use for the woman them out there with the mix up them when you give it, That's why you know woman them always in a problem and thing. No, a fool you take for cooker. Where him there? Him there, man. We see the dog, man. Him pop up and thing. But talking about the people. The ticket sale them now push off the way I would want them for push off, so I need them for buy some ticket, Worse like how people like Cooker appear like say them now go come through with the ticket them when them say them have a buy it, right? Right? Ticket people like Cooker decrease from 10 and I go down to 0, though. So people I need them for buy on a ticket them for my birthday party, all right? Buy your tickets on my birthday party. Tickets available in different stores over New York City and thing, or if you want to buy the ticket them from me, just send me a text, all right? Remember, send me a text, 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210. All right, just send me a text to buy your ticket and we just make arrangement for send it to you and thing, or if you tell you where you can go get it, or you just sell me the money and me will just send you the ticket them and thing. See? Anything else? All right. With the pan Get Catch Get Bun mix up or any other mix up, Get Catch Get. No man, the other tour pass open, I think, the other tour pass open, Rose Gold. If anything, text me. No, one of them, remember say two tour pads, One catch a look of fire thing one day and thing, And the other one open and thing. I'm gonna get the address, the phone and put it out there, all right? Okay. Get Catch a Get Bun mix up or any other mix up one. Have Get Catch a Get Bun mix up or any other mix up one. Have sub live later after. We're going to segue out of the show. I'm going to sub live later. And somehow on did to the group of people who did who asked me you had requested that I cover some things for you. You want me to Ricardo, big up yourself, man. No, me not sound nasal like, oh, you hear it in the microphone and thing. But no worry, I'm good, man, I'm good. Yeah, some of you were, you requested that I vouch for you on several forums that you have and thing, but and you wanted my response on it, okay? With respect to your request for me to vouch for you and do these things, I just want you all to know that I ain't filing for shit. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Yo, again, if you weren't here yesterday, you're not gonna get it. Don't get frustrated at anything. If you weren't here yesterday, you're gonna be like, what was funny about that? You're not gonna get it. See, people them who are laugh, they get it, okay? All right, Maroon, big up, okay? Cause you take your thing yesterday. I ain't filing for shit, okay? All right, mad. Right? Okay. All right then. Get Ketchagi Bone mix up or any other mix up wanna have. Get Ketchagi Bone mix up or any other mix up wanna have. All right. Any mix up where you know about where you did get Ketchagi Bone. Or you catch somebody a gibbon who you did there with. Veronique, right? Or somebody who you know get catch a gibbon and thing. I go through some of them, I'm telling you, some ways where people get catch a gibbon. Some of the more legendary mix up them over the years with people who get. All right. I'm going to give you one, you know. It's not sensational, but it was just an eye-opener for me. This lady called in and she said, her way, when she there with a man, the way she find out if that man a give her bun is by making sure she become good friend with her man, friend, woman. What she said? She said, nah, man, the way when me always keep tabs on my man, them and thing is whatever, is that I make sure, say, me become good friend with my man, good friend, woman. So I said, why? And she said, man, good friend, always know where I'm going with, and man, always a boss pan them good friend to them woman for demonstrate say them nah do what them good friend I do. That sounds circular and convoluted, don't it? Let me explain. I tell you, I tell you, some woman have the game different, some man, whatever. All right. What usually happen now? When a woman say to a man, say, so wait, I want to go on right now. What the man them usually do? Between me and, one junior, him do film thing out there with whatever, Junior, have a bona woman, yeah, I look a bona woman there, whatever, but you don't know it, So, you a juggle with Junior and no, but no, I'm not in the pan them something. You know them do what them want to do and thing like that. But me and you there, me and you good and whatever. I'm just a pinch and I tell you what Junior going with. But what go on? Junior now, I tell film woman the same thing now, Junior now, I tell film woman say, yeah. You see one chumpy over there. Yeah, I saw him on the film thing or whatever, So, way, So, each man, a confide in to fame woman secret where in bridging them a do. So what she figure out now is you friend with your man, brethren, woman. And she say, do it a way where it don't even too obvious say you meet and a confide. And she say after a while, the way your sister would work and woman go, she know. We start pinch, she know, but look at some say, watch your head back or so and so, And she said, no, she now willing to do the same thing for she. So again, she said, fear way for find out if any man who she deal with, a boner, is to make, one of the ways is to make sure that she become good friends with her man, friend, good friend, woman. Right? But I said that we just even the way, the layers where she program the thing. Man, not really think about them some of them, It's just like, man, I don't know. That's like a woman thing, Anyway, so when I give me some mix up now, but you know, when I get catch I get bun, our owner work on the way out of getting catch I get bun. Or what did that for go around and whatever and thing like that. I remember one woman she did call in and she said she feel the car and know she can't tell by the temperature of the car, you know, how long it park or something like. You know, but she didn't name again from Port Antonio. She and her sister from Portland. Forgot how she did explain her one day. What she name? Foodie? A foodie she did name from Port Antonio. Remember that mix up there when she catch fear, man. But it's a dream tracer, that too much, though. I don't search, you know. Search for what? No, sir. Kimberly says she don't know why that sound from the cup funny. Eh? It sound funny, though. Sound weird, though. All right, get catch a good bun mix up. I know for somehow is a little challenging a switch from the motivational space that we were just in to go over in and kind of the mix up realm, but you can do it. Let's go. Let's go. Mix up time. More nice girls said my uncle wife check the miles on his car. Yeah, women do them something. Some man are wise up with them thing they too. The phone thing I beat people left, right, and center, right, and there. There's so many ways people I get catch a get bun through phone. So many ways. Star boy, we are there. No, sir. Star boy, you're back. What? Eh? The general forward, man. See it there? The general forward. All right, I'll not subscribe yet to, you know, subscribe right now, okay? All right, come, let me see if anybody in there. Most of them want to take a look at time for a while. Okay. Nobody in the Chumpy. No, TikTok just a list people. Chumpy, Cher, Baby Girl J, Cookie Monstress, Pretty One Queen. Why TikTok put this adjective before this person's name? That's kind of weird. TikTok just randomly put an adjective before a person's name. Let me see what they say. It's a Keyless Marcia good as 41. Okay, I don't know why. TikTok must know something that we don't know. All right. Deeks over here, yeah. Milo there, Natalie, Lanoy, Kalia. But you move your ass, Raga. Why she post that? The anger is so unnecessary. You don't attack me. You go talk to TikTok about it. What's wrong with you, girl? All right? Go talk to TikTok about that, man. It's TikTok put the adjective before your name, all right? Don't come for me, okay? All right? TikTok do it. All right. Watch your right, people. Come. Get ketchup one mix up or any other mix up one have. Get ketchup. Coach Albert, I'm legitimately paying off debts of the first several struggling people to write me with the free. Coach Albert, don't bother with it. No. This is not the life for them something there, yeah? Don't do that in my life. Here, Coach Albert. Don't do that. I'll block you. We don't do that. Don't come over here. Come do them something there, yeah? Coach Albert, Bill, back up. Fall back. I'm mad people something over here, so no come over here with that, yeah? Okay. Now I'm gonna get a moderator. You know what? You know, every day I get them if I make Christina Brown Sugar moderator, I keep on and forget to do it. So I said what I can do right now. Yeah, I don't even know where to go to do it, so I want to do it after and thing, you know. CBS I will make you a moderator. Because I need somebody. I just see them something if I fling down bush, you know. When nobody come, I say come. Click on their name. Yeah, but and the options come up. Let me see. Okay. And then is it here? That is to unfollow or follow. Let me see, go over here. Add moderator. Okay, cool. All right. Okay, I'm about to. All right. Christina, just made you a moderator. Okay. Man, I already took care of that, Don. Yeah, Queen Nash should be a moderator too, you know, for real. Head girl, Queen Nash should be a moderator. Yeah, I have 2 moderators, I'm good. You know. Queen Nash, now I mash up my thing, you know. All right. What Queen Nash? No, I'm have to ask Queen Nash if she want to be a moderator. Queen Nash, can you be a moderator? Then, you know, I'll have 2. Queen Nash, can I please make you a moderator? Then me have 2, I'm a good, you know. All right, me see mix up time. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Father Raga, Wagwan.
You know some day what you say?
Boy, Father, mix up. God have mix up. I want to talk to you about something.
Yeah.
I remember when I was like, can't remember, but probably 10, 9. Remember, I used to love watch the program on the radio, you know, man. And when they used to talk about the heat at the front of the girl, and boy, I mean, yo, that mix up nice. I remember,
yeah.
I remember one day, you know, I thought me at 10, probably 11. You was like saying to a girl, say, so you never get your friend eat yet? So the girl, I never get my friend eat before yet. So Raga say, so you never, no man never see up on the road and never ask you to eat your friend? No man, something must wrong. I said, I still remember that for so long, you know, man. Now me at 31.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hey Raga, I respect you, man.
Yeah, you're referring to a show called Outada, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
The woman to come on the live and she was like, I never get my friend. But reason why I love your show, because when I was young, I used to love eat front.
When you were young, you used to look like what age?
Probably was 9. It always come to my mind. But Raga, you know how you brought me out still? Because when we used to listen to your program, you know, you used to sweet me, the girl on my top, but then love it.
No, hold on. I think you just made a mistake, you know.
Yeah.
You just said something that gave people the impression that you started eating front at 9 years old. I don't think that's what you meant.
No. I never said that, but I was in my mind. I always say like girls, I always say to them. But I never do it.
Oh, so when you're 9, you tell girls say you want to eat them front.
Yeah.
Oh, so move her from the 9. So what age you did start eat from?
From, well, all right.
Well,
When
but
me-
yeah, just move her from the. Is there any way you can move her from the nice? Yeah, have a look out about my nice, right?
Raga. So you see, I'm
Yeah.
gonna tell you. I
And
tell
what
you now,
age?
you
What
see.
age was the first time you eat from?
No, when me have 14, me never eat it, me wanna like kiss it. Kiss me
You
all
kiss it.
hours kiss. Yeah, me
Will
just
you-
kiss it.
Which
Like, me
part?
have to- come in,
Which
never
part?
know for do it.
Oh, which part I eat you kiss?
Like the front, no, like me never
Oh,
put
on
my
the
tongue
top.
on it, you know. Me never
Oh,
put my tongue. But me just did that probably because me never know for do it then time there. So
Yeah,
one time
that-
me I like, yeah, so then come here, I like me at 16 now.
Yeah.
Then one girl said, all right then, long with your tongue and move it up and down. So yeah, and then we start do that now, and then we say rock it.
oh, okay.
Yes, but Raga, me not tell lie, you inspire me still.
No. So when you was 14, you just chops it.
Yeah, because I never
You
know for
chops
do it then
it.
time.
Never know for do it then
All
time.
right. So the person
So
was
well,
me and I
you
was
did
the same
chop, you
age
did
group.
chops it. Yeah, you didn't see a age ago. If you did chops it more than one time, what you did that like chops and
Yeah.
you did that. Okay,
I know,
so
like no, you know, someone like you put your mouth on and go so, you know,
what you do? What? How that go? You
like
put
you
your
put your mouth and go so, yeah, you put your mouth so, you like you know really that's what's rub your face up in it. You don't kind of really know how to do it in time, you know.
Oh, you never know if you do it, so you
Yeah.
just put your mouth on and no.
Yeah, you understand my boss. But me I say, are you inspire me Raga, because when me look up it, you know, me say, listen your program, me say, yo, the argument always sweet me. Me always want to come from school just to hear that argument there. Me I say, yo, Raga, you the boss.
No, I know, but for the record, you know that you should not have been listening it at that age, you know.
That's true.
Right. At
But you know
14,
when things
yeah.
come, but all right. I'm lock me door because the truck, the
Yeah,
labor
lock
right
your
truck
door.
pass to it.
The labor truck, okay, yeah, lock your door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So me I tell you, say, Raga, you're my boss because me, yo, you don't know how I raise that rate, you know, man. It's like your radio station always relax my mind. Like if me stress out or any little thing, you know, it's like say you open a different world in my mind when you talk to the people, man, the girl. You don't understand, but you was a very
So when you say you reach 16 now and whatever, but what happened with this girl who tell us to push out your tongue? How that go?
all right, so I say bag juice down a town, you know. So
Yeah.
they call me the Jamaican bag juice man. So one day now,
Yeah.
me I said bag juice, I'm so one nice girl I walk past. So
Yeah.
I said, hey, I said to her, I said, girl, you know some me that want to eat your front, and she
Hold
said,
on, you just see
Really?
her. Hold on, you just see her pass, and that is what you said to her.
yeah man, just run down the she walk past me.
Oh.
I don't know if you know them at the train. All right, you have a place where they call them at the train station down a town there. So where you don't go see me? I said,
Yeah, man, down at West Street side, man. I go cry. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
And the girl, we just said to her, say, you know, I want to powder on her neck and thing.
Yeah.
And she smell good and smell nice. And I said to her, I said, baby, you know, say, I love to eat you. And she said, really?
Yeah, move her from the labor right now.
And the truck, man.
Yeah, the labor.
Man, the
Right.
labor, because they want to only put the labor right truck pass through now.
Okay, all right then.
But me I tell her, say, and then the girl came and go, but she said, which part you gotta go? So me say, all right, me don't know nowhere. And the girl came over a bush. And then she said, long out your tongue. And the girl start boom, bam, my tongue in the bar, say.
Well, on the girl carry you, she said. Well, on so well, on.
Yeah, she carry me go over one bush because you have an upland over there, so. And like, so we see one cardboard, so we go on the cardboard and thing.
Yeah.
So we see one cardboard, so. Me never even know if we do it, and she say, yo.
Well, the labor right truck.
Of course, me I get it.
Hold on, the labor right. Well, man, we can't hear nothing the way you say because of the labor right truck.
A labor right truck a pass through.
Yeah, man, the labor right truck up.
They must say, Andrew.
Yeah, they must say, Andrew. So what? You want to call me when the truck pass?
Yeah, man. All right, my boss. Me finish telling the story.
No, Odian.
Yeah.
The truck soon pass. The truck soon pass or it a move slow.
Yeah, man. Them a go down. Enough of them, you know, man.
No, but them a go down.
Yeah, them a go down the police station side.
All right, so what me I say is, so the woman bring you over the bush. The woman bring you over there
Yeah.
on a cardboard. Right?
Yes.
And what you
And
say
then,
she tell you to push your tongue in our hole, you know what?
no, man, listen, man, Raga, listen.
Yeah.
Cause she go, you know what time dog walk, she go up on her hand, and she go up on her knee, so she skin out everything back way, so you can see everything. Cause she go up on her knee. You know what time girls sit up, go up on their knee and go up on the hand, put them two hands on the ground.
Yeah.
Ah, yes, there's something going on.
Yeah.
So like so she sit up like you know what time girl like when dog walk on them 2 foot, turn up on her hand and her foot.
Yeah.
So no Raga, and then just say. Put the tongue in it, I put my tongue in it and pink something. Then tell me never really know.
Well,
Pink,
you put your tongue in a one pink something.
Yeah, it's like a click. You know what click? I click still, man. And then she said for lick it.
No. All right. That really is a conversation for what would I call sub live here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because them type of details there is for the sub live here.
All right, that's true. But Raga, me never did know.
But basically, she make you do it from behind panel, right?
No, I know our front still, so I never really go to the behind part.
No, what I mean is she did that on her knee. You said she did on her knee.
Yeah,
and she tell
yeah.
her, oh, and then she tell her to lick it.
Lick it, and then she say push it in the hole, in our something. You know what I say? And me never know, you know. But to me she make a sound, and I say, Rotty, me a do good man. And they say, I saw you did bad. And I say, Raga, me say, Raga, you don't know, man.
So when you did that stick your tongue, what you do? You just instinctively start. What you start do with your tongue? What you just start doing?
She say me for wiggle my tongue, man. Just wiggle it like you wiggle, just wiggle. So I must wiggle.
And you wiggle your tongue, right?
Yeah, man, Raga, man. Me I tell you, say.
Okay.
But me tell you, say, your show inspire me because one time when I hear your show and I hear the girl, I say nice, and I say, boy, me don't want to try to one girl, and then I look, you know, man. What me say, I try to it and it's nice, but you man, it's nice. Must when the girl them beard, nice, man, tell her.
Oh, you say worse when them beard done and it nice and fresh done.
It's fresh.
Oh, you don't like it when it touch a little bit, like when it touch a little bit.
No, like when you just beard and fresh.
You like when it just beard. Yeah.
Soft and nice. But up to now, me still say.
Yeah. Huh? What? Go on. What?
Up to now, me still want to see about the girl because she's the first girl me want eat.
Oh, and she bust your tongue, though. She bust your mouth.
Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, she make me experience it as a real thing. But Mr. Man now want to circle on. We don't really want to do it any kind of girl now, because you don't know what thing I said.
Yeah. So basically, I said me broke you out for your eat front.
Yeah, me tell you, I used to love you see your program. Your program is so sweet, me I tell you, say, I don't know if you have sugar in your program or you have something where you use. But me I tell you, say, he's a powerful person. I don't know how you do it, but Raga, you do it, Raga. Me I tell you, say, you're the king of Mixup, big man thing. You're the lord of, you see the day when they come off the radio, I'm balling, man. I say, back foot.
John.
And I say, love to come here. Me say, me feel like me I just hunt them down and just, me say, load them.
No, don't do that. Load them.
But me I tell you, say, Raga, you don't know, but your radio station we used to have, it relax your mind. Me don't know, but it have a relaxing.
Okay.
It like you know one trend because you don't know how you do it, but you find the code. Me I tell you, Raga.
Yes, I. And we just see that
thank God
about
for TikTok. Thank God for TikTok.
Yeah, we just see that about it today that we have to find your talent. You know what I mean? Did find my talent too.
But me have a talent in the Raga. Me have a talent still now.
What is your talent?
All right, me's a creator. You know, me a Jamaican bag juice man, music name, man. Music go around and said, the Jamaican bag juice man is here. Come and get your bag juice right now. Come and top up his cream. Send a whale, send money gun, send lion. It's the Jamaican bag juice man show. So, you know. Tambourine.
Nah, man. Run that again. Run the Jamaican bag juice thing again. Run it again. One more time.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, give it up for the Jamaican bag juice, man. We got bag juice available. We got gas bag juice and Big Joe. Come and keep on top of the screen and share the life on the one and only Ragashanti, the Mixup King. When I say Mixup, come on, you in the comment section type in Mixup King. I'm telling you.
What I know. All right. It's all about creativity now. All right. So we just talk about swiping and, we have elevated the thing and whatever. So if you are do that now in the same voice and whatever, we're doing creativity and imagination now. But say you see a nice, sophisticated woman now and you want to come rope in now for you give her a good eat. In the same voice. Lyrics are now make you come over now for come send her the jojo for you eat it. Run it.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Oden Palmer. Nice to meet you, beautiful. I just saw you and I really want to get to know you. I'm from Jamaica. Where you're from. I'm saying I'm a hardworking and dedicated and loving person. And I really want to be with you. I'm saying teamwork, man, teamwork. Raga.
No,
Raga,
got
I'm also
you. Yeah, lyrics are now. I am making
Lyrics are.
Yeah, I am making you say, yo, you would just eat that and I make you lose our mind and thing or whatever. Talk to her.
Yeah,
now.
I'm gonna say, look, I got a secret what I use, but you gotta keep it. No, it can't be a secret.
Yeah.
All right, so I have a secret what I say. No, baby, I like you and I like to play that clip for you, you feel me? So when you tell a girl that you want to play with that clip, they'll love you and that shit. Bro, but Raga,
I Mixup and Blenda
I'm telling you.
time.
Like you are a motivation for me, Raga. I'm telling you, you are the one that motivate me every single day. So you see, I have a talent. I have got a talent.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
also level.
Nah,
I am
man,
a level 25 gifter.
You have a bad foreign accent lyrics voice. That me I tell you, yeah, man.
Raga, a lot of person love me. I build a lot of platform in this year. I grow account.
Nah, man.
Just
yeah,
like me.
Yeah, what me I tell you, from this day, just know, sir, Ragashanti say, you have the drop draws accent. Yeah, you drop the drop draws accent. Yeah, man, you drop the
For real.
accent there for the woman, them man and thing and whatever, man. And them have to
Right
send
now.
Yeah.
Yeah. First thing, you know what I do?
Yeah.
Raga, you know what I do first?
Yeah.
You see when you see ladies and you greet them, like you go to them and you like shake their hand. Once you shake their hand, it's like you got a connection to other ladies. You just shake them and tell her your name. So once a lady tell you the name and you shake their hand, I'm telling you, you're done right there. You just give them the flowing accent.
There you go.
Hey, Raga, guess what?
Yeah.
Raga, guess what?
Yeah.
I never been on a plane. I never been on a plane before. Walk me where I get the accent from.
Ooh, you never been on a plane before?
I never traveled before. And everybody say, yo, oh, you do it. Oh, you do it.
Right. So, you get the accent
You
there.
see, it's talent. It's just talent, you know?
Just talent. Yeah.
As you're trying to say that God bless everyone the talent.
Yeah.
So you see, we have to use our creativity to connect because no matter what they try, they can't be like you, Rago. No matter what they're doing, everybody in TikTok try to do stuff, they can't be like you because you are the one day, you know what I'm saying? God bless you with your talent.
Yes.
So we are all talented person. As you're saying, go do your own life. Go do your own thing. Just push it out.
That's right,
good.
man.
Because you're a motivation. You're a motivation speaker.
All right, Papa. Big up yourself, respect for the endorsement and, the honors and the accolades.
And thank you very much for having my show.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Yeah.
Say, always now, I try to come for your show all these years.
Yeah.
I'm finally make it for me for your show on TikTok.
See, there go some
every time when we get bigger and bigger, I say, yo, I try to reach your show, just say, yo, Raga, I respect it to the max, bro.
Man,
but no worry, man. I'm going to give you a big surprise you ever get in your life on TikTok.
Oh, no, it goes some, man. Big up yourself, ratings and respect. Here, sir. Mad thing, all right?
Wait, Raga, give me a shout out. Give me one more shout out, Jamaican bag juice, man.
Yo, Ragashanti, big up the Jamaican bag juice, man. The real drop jazz accent king about the place, Big up yourself, Jamaican bag juice, man, all right?
Thanks for having me here, bro.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. Blessings, man. Cool, all right? All right, cool.
Wow, that Raga.
It goes some, man. Protection. Is that a good thing or a bad thing that the man can, you know, so you broke me out in this thing and make, you know, me start swipe, you know? I don't know. I don't know. I tell you, some of these parents are going to be, you see what me I tell you? You see what me I tell you? You Ragashanti. Ah, Jesus, bad influence, Ragadon. Greetings. Hello. Hello. Oh, and by the way, people, if we not come up in the chat, try not have no music in the background here, because when we put it over TamFam TV, the music can't night over YouTube and thing. But right now, Jamaica festive, you know, right down till September 3rd, you know, so they know it go with the election thing. I know nothing now, man. All right, all who I watch right now, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now, you know. If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. All who I watch, all I want to who I watch right now, if you're not follow me yet, follow me right now. Follow me right now. Follow Ragashanti right now. See? Just go in that little red box with the follow sign and just follow me, okay? All who I watch, if you're not follow me yet, follow me right now. All right, here we go. Get Ketchagi Bun mix up. Get Ketchagi Bun mix up. Get Ketchagi Bun mix up or any other mix up one.
Yo,
Greetings. What going, Romain?
the boat, man. The boat. What you up to?
Now, who was the show?
Yes, you know, somebody just joined over. From the other day, I asked you what time the party has started. What can I get an answer? What going?
Oh, what time the party start?
Yeah.
I mean, people start coming 9 o'clock, but, you know, things are get going like at 10 o'clock, you know? But you know, ask what time. Well, nowadays, yeah, because people have early party. But the party I go from 10 until 4. All right, from 10 until 4, you're forward, right?
Yeah, man, we are forward. We need to link we get to.
Brap. Romanian people, them man come from way down south, you know. You see how it go, all right? Them I come support my party and thing. Respect for that, my brother, all right?
Yeah, man, respect, man.
It goes some man. What go on otherwise? Everything balance up?
Yeah, everything good enough. You know, something just done go and deliver and they are going easy.
I want long delivery, you just shut off.
No, so you know, say about 1 little 5-hour drive. I heard about that.
1 little 5-hour drive. Spoken like a true trucker to rat. 1 little 5-hour drive. Minor drive that for you, don't?
Minor drive, yeah, man.
Yeah. All right, my brother. Big up yourself, man. See? And I'm looking forward to seeing you at the party, yeah?
Yeah, man. That's not blessings. Now they can get 2 tickets.
Yeah, man. And Del Marina asked if you can bring up some cheese crunches and cheese tricks for her.
No, I'm not going to see none of that. You know?
You're not going to see no cheese tricks?
No, I'm not.
Del Marine, him say him not going to see no cheese tricks and no cheese crunches. You know, I saw them stay with them hungry belly self and think, too, she hear you come or whatever. She want cheese crunches and cheese tricks and whatever. ANC them, you know. Anyway, then go and carry them belly with them, man. All right? You go.
Yeah, man.
All right, then. Okay, respect and honor here, sir.
Yeah, man. I'm blessed for everybody. You know, blessed the whole TamFam.
It goes, sir, man. Cool.
All right. That's right.
Going down the line. Get Ketchagi Bun mix up or any other mix up on Get Ketchagi Bun mix up or any other mix up on Hello. Wagwan. Hello.
Off the headphone. Yeah, hear me, Raga?
Yeah, we are here, but we are here only part of nice and I sitting.
Where you get nice from?
Me say me just a year only part nice and I sitting. Me I tell you where me are here.
We don't know where that come from. Because nobody else knows me was more me pitney them.
No man, in iPhone. Where you did that something where you did that. Yeah, you did put it on. Okay, Wagwan.
But there no boy me say. Back juice man, me there turn over, me have to send me request.
Oh, you
It's
mean?
a good
Oh,
bad thing. It's a good
yeah.
bad thing because me not like you motivate him. You see me? And the thing is, you're not motivating about that something there, no. You're motivating for make him know say him is a man and him for pursue woman and all them things there, you know?
Well, Nico to feel, Nico to feel static, don't shout. Nico to feel, I know everything you put in a chat here. They have something that some people would notice it, me and so and them just easy and make it flow. But you don't have to put everything in the chat. You hear Nico to feel? You remember the tone of what you post in the chat add to the quality of the chat, all right? All right, go on, talk.
I mean, she has said don't shout. Ah, Jesus.
Go on, talk, go on. But you see, is she alone I say it, you know?
Anyhow.
Yeah, it's not a problem. Is she? But what I'm saying, even if somebody else shout, you turn down your phone.
And then I know if you control it.
Go on. Yeah.
I mean, I say it's a good and bad thing because you motivate him at least. You know, say if you know, say a woman him supposed to step to. So I say, nah, bash nobody else. I just say it's a good thing for know, say as a young youth, even though him did really rude for a rush come home for come listen to you. But at least him know say it's a man that him a look up to for say, yeah, you got your thing locked with the woman them.
Based on the politics of today, you have to be careful you not bait me up here.
Nah, beat you.
No, it's not even a joking matter. You know?
Me nah beat you for true.
No, but yes, when you go say that now, it put me in a position for respond. And then I knew you had me there.
Why
You know?
you exactly live there too. So
Right,
we
so
can,
when me I
yes.
say, yeah, then you go here, some me this, some me eat this group, and me this and that with it.
My work, me just do a in service and I see anything. Me can't do them something there. My work in a health field, me can't do it.
Exactly. So when me I
So-
tell you, say, the point where you just bring up, you know, it never come up at all, you know. And you just randomly bring it up, you know. Because it never come up at all.
That's how it look.
Right. So, me no want, you know,
Yeah.
no, nothing was said along those lines for that to come up. You know, so, you know,
To be clear,
yeah.
Empress Milo, me I beg you, if you know what hear me, come off it issue.
No, Empress Milo and my sister still, you know, yeah.
No, she had tell me lady move on and we had discussed a little part.
No, but she right. No, she right. She right. She's me I keep it 100 with you. She right. And the reason why me I say it to you, I don't want nobody else come do it. See, that never come up in the conversation with the brethren that have a while ago, you know, is you just bring it up.
But me I look on it now. Yes.
Yeah, you know, it never come up at all. So me just don't want, you know, me no go this or whatever. Me no want the people them. Remember, say Jamaica when them start
You know what I'm really
send
telling
people.
the thing, Raga. If you know, say you motivate you. Cause I remember when we did younger, you always talk about your story when they did up on the road and I do certain things. That's why me I say, hey, you like to trying youth and youth where go after them own thing. So me I say,
Yeah.
so that really that's why I'm really request for no say that a youth out there they are doing business and him a say him used to listen to you and him can step to female certain way, you know. Him a make it actually can tell you straight up say him want settle down.
Yeah.
I told the world around him no want have no bag of woman for do this thing too. So me I say. So, I'm not missing no point. I'm not missing a point. I'm saying that.
Hold on. And me I talk to her the chat. Come on, no, man, you keep. If you want to talk to the chat, you go in the chat, go talk to the chat. I know me and the chat you talk to.
My thing as I say, my request are because true, me know say you always love to see you to motivate and as you just encourage about use with talent and to see him come show your points exactly in the way where you that tell way.
Yeah, well, I'm doing bag juice thing, but in terms of in terms of what he was referring to, let's be careful here. I am in no way going to say I'm having a proud moment when a 9, 10, 11-year-old. I don't know if at them age, I'm saying, did I listen to me or whatever, because I'm not supposed to listen at them age there, whatever. But when I go sit here and bask in the accolades to say, oh, when I was a child, you know, no. So me just listen to him and make it play out and things.
Bad. Me da bash
Yeah.
him say a bad pitney and him never have no control on the streets. We raise them, but then hear him go like a deep and thing and him a say, now I'm a 21 and thing, you know. It make me feel good for no say that him did have a male figure who motivate him, where him can look forward for hear certain things from. Even though I did out of the show at the time. You
Okay.
get my point on me, I said to you, Raga?
Yeah.
As a male, him have a male figure in him, like, because him probably never did have a male figure around him at the time, you know. And him say him rush come home for come listen to you, even though out of that talk, but him look up to you and him respect you.
Well, yeah, him do have a respect for me.
So that's what me I say as a male.
Differently.
Yes, because him that express it to you. So, you know, I'm glad for no say, as him say, enough people you reach out to, and trust me, you even said since night as I tell him, enough time, even me in a situation where me just zone out from everything and everybody and just come on the show at evening time and you don't even know my go my bed different from how my day was.
All right. Yeah, I'm gonna feel good about that. Yeah, feel good
Right.
about that.
So respect to that. That's my point still.
All right, now say all right, man. Blessing,
Cool.
man. And big up yourself, see me, all right?
Yeah, man, big up.
Well, I don't see anything wrong with you know, with anybody saying that, well, Raga, you know, I have to credit you with the increase in my tongue confidence. I just coined that. Right? So if somebody's confidence was increased on if somebody's confidence was increased on account of some virtual reaction interaction with me, then okay. Cool, you know. And things, see. But so it's everything motivated. So you see that? That is creativity, right? That is creativity, right? So me say confidence, right? Right? And then, you know, somebody say, yes, he was motivated. He was motivated, I think. That is creative, it's imaginative, it's entertaining, it's different. Next thing you know, these are the words where you just hear over in a local corner, whatever, like, you know, when you say our shy boys, yeah, it wasn't motivated, whatever, and then it becomes entertaining and it becomes fun and all these things and whatever. All right then, good. Yeah, nah, but him have him look good. Yo, him have him look at talent there with him voice, you know, when him put on him voice and do him look at thing and whatever. And I hear him say him never yet go foreign, he never go up on a plane and him can do him look at talk or whatever. He never see them man they sell juice at Jamaica and them full of lyrics, you know, them they have one brother around there who sell roots and them something there. And him have him one little routine when him going. It's one of the most entertaining things you can hear. Creativity, imagination, okay? Right? Those are the things, and it helps to set theme product different, right? So people know him as a special roots man because of the lyrics where him put on the brand of theme thing. You understand? That's what it's about. Product differentiation, right? All right, cool. All right, going down the line. Get catch a bone mix up or any other mix up and thing. Get catch a bone mix up or any other mix up. All right, mix it work. Hello?
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah, greetings. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Bless up, man.
I wish for you the dog.
You to hear my brethren.
Eh?
Don't
Eh?
know why.
What?
No, I not to really hear us still,
You
Maybe
not hear
because I
me?
did steer well. You
Oh,
know what I
you not?
mean? So
Yeah.
I have to link you back if anything.
Yeah, man, because we are get
No.
crazy echo here.
So, yeah, but God, I have a link you back still, my brethren.
My G. Not say a word, man. Cool.
All right, bless up. Yeah, man, but then I steer well, man. That's why.
Yeah, manners. Cool. Bring down the brethren. Get Ketchagi Bun mix up or any other mix up one have. Get Ketchagi Bun mix up or any other mix up one. Going down the line. Greetings.
Greetings, my boss.
Yeah, man, what I got on?
I want to say manners and respect, long time listener.
See it there.
I listen from me there Jamaica do security work,
Cool.
This was like my motivation in the morning,
Seeing.
Yeah, me always I feel tuning in the local analog radio. You know what I mean?
All
Yeah.
right.
And me spot you one time from me live in Jamaica, only one time, and I went me there Grace Kennedy at work and me see you come through and me shout you. Say, what I go on my boss? Say, yo, manners. From that day till to the day, me use that something there. You know what I mean?
You use what?
The manners.
Oh, you use it. You mean your answer and say manners?
Right.
Oh, you did hear me say manners to you, and you say from that day you use the word manners?
Right, till this day, yeah.
Okay. you never know how,
Yeah.
You never
But
know.
now I look at you, more to say a mix up, but there's a little craft where a man run for me.
Yeah, make we hear it now.
Yeah, it's like in a community where you're new in our community, say girl normally go for the strange man them,
Really?
Yeah, like when you're strange in our
When you're
community,
fresh, because you're not area man, we go whatever. You're just, all right.
Right. So this girl is fresh in the community where we live. So me was the first one who actually stepped to her in the community.
Yeah.
So, my brethren realized, say, me I get you.
Yeah.
So him realized him wasn't neighbor to the girl at the time. So him realized I'm always there at the gate.
Right.
Always there. So
Right.
me then was saying him a previous. So one idea him call me and say, yo, me have something for show you, So me I say, what? Yo, say me here on a good source. On a really good source, say, yo, that girl have AIDS.
Whoa.
I say, dog, really? And from the moment the man said that, it just broke up everything. Like the interest just dropped.
Right.
Completely. Few weeks after that, when me look at him and the girl, so therefore, me never feel no way still because to this day, it's like my brother see away there, but every time I see me, I have to just remind him about that day. They say, yo, me not forgot it, I think of something I'm going to make I forgot, You know what I mean?
So when was the first time you did talk to him after that? What you said to him? After you say him and I, there, what you said to him after that? You never bring it up to him and say, big man, big and serious. I can't drop on me for that, just to get that. You say something like that to him?
Yeah, definitely. And his response wasn't that laugh, you know what I mean? But I never really pre him still because at the time I lived with my baby mother at the time was close by too. So
okay.
me never really pre him, but you know what I mean? We just look at that and laugh it off, you know what I mean?
Are you and him good after that too?
Yeah, we're still good till this day. That's why I said to you, say like every time you and him talk, me just always remind him about that day there. That incident there.
Are you a good friend?
I'm a good friend, man. Like brother, same way.
Like brother?
Yeah.
Well, me and you different, boy. No, me and you different. Me know say some people now go see that as a big deal, but me I tell you say, No, me and you different, you know. Me I stay wide from somebody like that, you know.
No, to be honest, though, I have a praying for that because that's a one thing with me. Certain things can come between certain relationship when I feel like me and my friend have. Not even money. I must something you do like about like you must do my kid something or my mother something or so forth. But them something them me not pre friend.
No, but me say something notice a Jamaican men sometime me hear Jamaican men say certain thing where like brethren and brethren, certain things not for come between brethren and brethren, and sometimes them man say woman thing not for come between brethren and brethren. I understand that on a certain level and whatever, but you know things in other instance him see you about to achieve a certain benefit and him want to deny you. So him is the type of person who want to deny you from getting something good because him want it. That is the principle at hand here. And that wasn't a big deal to you?
No, to be honest, no. You say if I like my personal woman, no. If I like my personal woman, that's a big problem.
Oh, okay. Me see what you say. Me see what you say. Me see what you say.
Personal woman, no, that would be a big problem.
Yeah, well, that's reasonable. That's reasonable. That's reasonable. That's reasonable. That's reasonable. All right. Okay.
Yeah, man. So I have a look mix up or whatever the case it may be. Whatever category it fall under.
Yeah. It goes some man. Blessings.
Yeah, man. Manners.
Cool. People, true story. Jamaica. True story. There was somebody who me know, right? We are not best friend, but we was friend. You know, we're working at the same field and thing and whatever. So we hang out all the while and thing like that and so forth. I have to be careful. So when I time him a travel. So when him a travel, him ask somebody else who we know. There are certain things I'm asking him to do with respect to him, woman. When that person there did do them things when him a travel. Killer Miller, don't do that here. You always don't all I wanna know if you hear something I say, wanna like for right name as if you know is who. Don't do them something there, yeah? Alright, don't do them something there, yeah, please. Because sometimes when I do it, I don't even know the legal implications with it and things or whatever, you know. Worse if you go guess the right person and the name never did for call, alright? So all I want to hear something I love run out with name because somehow if you come out with the name, you're not going to stand out. Don't do it, here. Alright? People sue for all kind of foolishness nowadays, okay. No, this have nothing to do with the person name more important. Just all right. Yeah, so when that person did that travel, him ask him friend. There's certain things that him do when him here, so him ask him friend for do them things there while he's not here with respect to him, man. While him a do the things that when him not there and whatever, no. But them a tighter friend than me, you know. Them a tighter friend than me. While him a do them something there now, the friend go move to him, man. So, you know, you have two male friends who me know, entertainer. Right? One a travel. Him ask him Virgin say, I nah go there, you know, and she know so and so you can do so and so for me. And him say, yeah, man, me do it. When him a do it, him go move to her. Not only move to her, but go carry her somewhere deserted and isolated and whatever. And I say, Ray, so this and that have got happen, you know. And she hold her ground and say, nah. That not go happen. And drama go down and thing, but a girl we can't defend herself, you know, back out her knife and all them something. So knife come into play. When fear gentleman come back, she tell him, He might not talk about it now and thing or whatever. And he might go say to her, say, yeah, you know, some man stay and whatever and thing, you know, what is important is you never do nothing or whatever, you know. She said to him, like, but me and your woman, you know, me and you live together, you know, you claim say you want to marry me and whatever and all them something. I may tell you something what a man do and whatever and thing like that and you go, and your reaction that. And he must say, no, but nothing that happen. And you hold your heart and thing like that, so she go silent. Him now come to me and I tell me what go on when him attack to she about it and thing and whatever. So I must say, yo, she frowns and this and that and whatever and boom, bam, bam. Man. So I must say, you know, boom, so why you never even said nothing to him about it and whatever, and he must say. The man said to me, no, but I'm a bona fide brethren that, you know, I can't make no woman come between me and my bona fide brethren. And to the point where the brethren, they just talk about, you know. Then my man say, yo, I never did a preem because I never am a woman. But if I did my woman, it would have different. And that the brethren just say, you know. All right. So me said to him, say, but this is your woman who you live with it, who want to live with together and thing and whatever, you know. Him did do this significant thing for her and big event with all of it there. But it wasn't like the significant thing, you know. It was significant, but it was in preparation for the real significant thing. But him did do this big thing, you know, and a big public thing or whatever. Really. So I said, dog, you attack marriage to the woman and them something there and whatever and thing, and your brethren not only move to her, him carry her go a roadside, dark road at Portmore if you go over Elshire, over this him carry her go and want put whatever this and that and whatever. And you not pay him about it. And your woman not tell you and you him say, nah, him not say nothing because nothing ever happened, so him not make a big deal about it and I'm bona fide brethren and him not make that come between him and him bona fide brethren. So at that point, you know, when you talk to somebody and you kind of see where them there, and for me, sometimes people attack them way there and sometimes some other things behind it where you don't know about, you know, so me, they just kind of back off right this, so, you know, me just say, well, for whatever it's worth, you know, for the record, you know, I just want you know, every woman who there with a man, she want to know so that man can make she feel safe. Every woman want that. And I say, you know, it's a based on where you do right, you know, she not gonna feel safe with you. So I'm saying, nah, I'm not think that's a big deal or whatever. And you know, I say, cut long story short now. But that's about a 6 weeks after that, you know. And me did have one studio down there, you know. Which part Tambourine radio did there and them something there. Down a Q45, you know, about 6 weeks after that. Me get a call from her. But she not call, you know, we not talk like that, you know. We know each other and we joke around each other, but we not talk, you know. So I say, what you going? Say, what you do? Say, what you mean? I say, me there in my studio. I say, oh, okay. Just I give you a yell, you know. And I say, okay, but me, you know, me get boomy, you know, because me I say, she never do this before, you know. And she said, me and say I go on an outside broadcast or so and so and so and so and so. And I say, yeah, weird. That time I'm still there, you know, I do certain little things with some people. So I say, yeah. And she say, I can't come. So I say, what you mean come? I can't drive down with you. So I say, no, you know, so I not to drive down with anybody anytime me I go them place, the staff and everybody go different, but me always go solo, you know. She said, then that's why I want to come. I said, what do you mean? She said, no, I just want to go down and I have family down there too, you know. It was Westmoreland, you know. Remember, you know, my brethren too. I get confused now a little bit now. I said, nah, I think that should be a good idea, you know. She said, all right, if you, I can't come. You know, just make me know if I can't come. What you do now? So me there at the studio. All right, me I leave her. Me I get a cab and come down there now. Come down where? Come down at the studio now. Okay. All right. And then who come in and thing, you know, and she, all right, come in and boom, sit down in the studio. I say, yeah, me there I do some editing, you know, and thing and whatever, and there they talk. Girl in a full white, you know, but I want white shorts, you know, tight up shorts and whatever. And I look good, girl, you know, tan good, you know. So I say, you know, say you never go work, so, you know. You never go work, so. You never go work dress, so. And there's no way you leave from your yard, because the yard far, but I work nearer to the studio than I said, so. She said, no, I bring change of clothes. So I say, did I go out? She said, no, I bring change of clothes because I know somebody did want to wear this to come over here, come see you. I said, B, where you there, pan? Wait, no, come, talk to me straight. Where you there, pan? And then she said, I want to F you. I said, what's going on? What you mean you want to F me? I said, yeah, your man a brethren and thing. What you mean you want to F me? What's going on? Something I wore. Sit down. Talk to me. Well, what's going on? Right? Say, no, I need to do this, and you're the right person to do it with. Well, what do you, I said, talk to me. What, something, you don't know what someone do and whatever, boom. I said, yeah, man, yeah. Him tell me still, you know. Him tell you. So him tell you everything. And him never tell us same camera upon lonely road and did all that hold me and thing and whatever this and me for back. I say, yeah, him tell me everything. Him tell you everything. And him say, what you tell him? So by this time, I have to be careful now, you know. And I say, well, for the record, you know, I just make him know, say, I never want to go no further because I kind of understand me. But I don't want to go tell her the whole thing what him tell me because he never tell me nothing, I go tell her. And I don't want to get in a miggle. You know them something, you're going to end up in the miggle. So I said, no, I just, in my opinion, so I tell her what him say, you know. Say him not put what happened between him and him brethren. I don't want to get involved in that. But I just tell her my opinion and say, well, I think him should have go say something to him still and talk to him about it at a minimum and thing or whatever. So she said, yeah. So because of that, I need to F somebody. And me no want F all of them who want F me. Is you me want F. But I said, that don't me drop in at this. She said, I need it to do this for me. I need it to do this for me. I said, what you mean? What? She said, me just need to know, say, me do this. I said there was something psychological going on in her head, yeah. But at the same time, I say, I know I feel that we're still, you know, but even though you said this is the reason why you want to do this, me I'm a fool, you know. Woman not juggle, so it means say you did done a pre something about me and whatever, really, so. So she said, yeah. I like a long time. I say, all right, but that no mean say if we do anything and thing. You know, say, Me and your man who are planned for marriage and whatever and thing like that. You know, say I'm a virgin. She said, oh, we not get married. Me can't tell you that. I say, you not married him? Nope. I say, you tell him that? She said, no, I'm not tell him yet. But when you're in a lion mouth, you take time, take it out. So I say, what do you mean? You and him done? Done. When you know that's something that when woman check out long time and the man don't know, and that's what she there, you know. And I say, well, that I go play out between una and whatever, but I don't think, you know, this is the reason. And in fact, this is not the reason. You know, so this is not the reason. You kind of use this as an excuse or you conflate two things because woman and woman and Raga, you chat to. Me understand enough about woman. So you're not going to just come at me, son, whatever. You did a pre-certain thing about me before. Are you upset about this? But you kind of kill two birds with one stone. And I said, this is a good time now for you go so boom, 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 boom. And she said, yeah, that's true. And I say, you need to go talk to him about it, you know? And thing. But she said, that don't do it, you know? I say, done. She said, yeah, man, that done, man. Based on what happened. She said, yeah, there's no come back from that. None at all. She said, none at all. It don't even need no argument or nothing, you know? And I said, but me and Virgin, she said, but it done. No, whatever thing. Now, the main reason why I share this with you, I just want that thing that me I talk about, we say, don't even that. We don't need to say anything more and whatever. But as I said, she just reached a point where based on what I go on with him. Sometimes you see some woman do some things and whatever, and you know what did I go through before we make them reach a point there. Chris Rock say, every woman have a dick in a glass case. When Chris Rock said that something there. Every woman have a dick in a glass case. They may not access it, you know. But in certain times of crisis or down and whatever, you know, break when needed. Right? And I just feel say this thing I was some of them man I can't understand if I know him bona fide woman or whatever, but you can't do with somebody and say yeah in front of a big crowd and thing, you know, you go do this big symbolic jewelry thing with her and all them something there and then tell everybody say you're gonna marry her and whatever and the two of them go together, whatever this and that and somebody move to her for SAR, your friend move to her for SAR, whatever, and you not stand up for her. You not stand up for her at all. You don't even try to fake it. You don't even try for even do something. For say, yo, big man, nothing that happening, but ray, you know, do nothing. What you expect? A woman they have a think different and pray you're different. Enough time when woman them in that zone there and thing, you know, them, you know. What them do, you not gonna necessarily know. Enough time when woman in a them position, them end up do something what is for them own satisfaction, them own benefit, them own peace of mind and whatever. And you best believe a something sharp. You understand? So if she go through all a plan, then now bring change her clothes and plan her own thing and this and that and ray, and all them something there and whatever. Even though again, you know, I believe, say, you know, I never just, the one thing that make she go, so she done a pre-certain thing from before and things like that. But I tell you, men, if you know, make a woman feel secure and if you're going to like, you know, make something like that happen, you know, stand up for her and defend her and all them things. You best believe that woman they're going to do something. To get back at you or to balance out things. Certainly, yeah. Anyway, we could move to some. But the brethren said a while ago, you know, him a theme thing, but Me wanna comfortable with him after that, you know. Even though I don't know, me wanna comfortable with him after. One of them look at thing. Hello.
I no close, Raga.
What go on, Elaine?
Good night to you and your TamFam.
Yeah.
I think that's... You think I send me, but I come, me come. Think I send me, I come, me come. Raga.
Well, Simone, big up yourself. Me see you just subscribe, large up yourself. What you say? Send another one come. What you say? All right then.
Raga, you
Yeah.
know, saying a real life, me did David one shooter, you see?
Yeah.
And his friend moved to me, you know. And me I tell him, no, you know what the friend said to me, you're going like your wife. Me say, me not really care, me and a wife. Me know me is not wife, but me now make two friends jump up on me. You're crazy.
See,
Especially two top friends. You understand what me I say?
yeah.
Me not depend them thing that me know a Raga that can't work. Me I make some ramen noodles for my grandson.
All right.
Anyway,
Well, Alien, the picnic them what name there in our background. I don't know if you can move her from it.
Akeem, turn down the tablet, please, little bit. Show me in the kitchen. Me can't move because me no want the noodle burn up, you know?
Yeah, don't burn up your ramen. What? Tell him turn it down. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, anywhere Raga. Tuesday, see?
Yeah.
When no, first of all, me hear you say, and everybody pan it up, you run certain joke with, right? You know
Right.
who we call high and front from, Maga front from, you know?
Who understand what I do?
alright.
Right.
Wednesday when we are talking about the swap, how Patois dropping it.
Oh, when the person that come up and try draw a card for you, say yeah, patrol front or whatever.
Yeah, and the ANC.
No,
Alright,
ANC.
me glad and none of ANC them.
Right.
Because ANC, and why one of me did run out after the man, when me see
Chompe, yeah.
Yeah, Miss Long Island, and even Squeaky the Deaky.
Yeah.
Carol joke with me and all heap of others, and the lady was say, the girl.
Yeah, the girl. Yeah. That a cavi, That a cavi, right.
Them know themselves still.
Right.
So, me want know what pathole mean, because a two thing about pathole is either it big or it dirty, and we never reach this, so.
No, we never did this. So
We are talking about soap. So Miss Lady, with the oil paint all, where you come for me for?
Yeah.
What she come out for me for? Miss Lady, all when you go in the bathroom and you use the
Tree soap. She said she used tree soap and
you use the top soap, the base soap, and the
And she said she used one look at aisle one, the bath and body, like at the end,
body.
Yeah.
The bath and body and all them soap, they only smell up your bathroom. Only the bathroom it smell up. As you come out of the bathroom, the fragrance gone and you still smell like the oil paint, Miss Lady.
Jesus.
Miss Lady will look like pig wrap up in a towel. Don't come for me.
Oh! Why you do it, Miss Lady? Why you do it?
Miss Lady, you don't play with me, Miss Lady, because we never reach a patrol. You gone too far.
Yes,
you not play with me. Only somebody can talk about patrol pan this is the me not look no friend in no Raga, because you know me not like them, me not like ANC in no Raga. But I don't look you call me patrol.
Yo, So Miss Lady will come call your patrol front. Come call your patrol front, Elaine, and think she outside for real. How she reach there, so? How she reach there, so? And then hold on, I remember when I asked her if a foreign patrol or Jamaican patrol. And what she say?
Jamaican patrol. At least Jamaican patrol, the car them know if you skip round the patrol, Miss Lady. The car them nah skip round your patrol, them
dropping it and thing. Yeah, Jesus, that means fear patrol, I'm supposed to be deep and wide. Deep and wide, fear patrol. Well, deep and wide. I must say so, yeah.
Miss Lady, me choose my friend them over here. Don't play with Ilian.
Okay.
Play with Ilian. True, you see the ANC, them a guani. You know if you match them, my love.
Yeah, my love. bright. But me don't know how she just come out of the blue, so she just randomly come out of the blue, so and I pressure you, so for what?
That me I say, all when Miss Lady come out of the bathroom, she still smell like the oil paint.
Jesus, so all she run up her mouth. Yeah, Christina, big up. All when she said them something that it still no matter. All of the things then the Bath and Body Works where she use that now do nothing for her, though.
Nothing for her. Nothing in her do for her.
But when you say she have... When you say she have oil paint hole, what that mean? What you mean oil paint hole? What that
Remember
mean?
say oil paint no smell good in a raga.
I mix up and blend that time.
Okay, all right. Yeah, but I know she come fear for no, she must think say you're weak fence. She think you're weak fence. You know in a Jamaica when they say you make a sad mistake. No. She think you're weak fence round here. I want me to her. She for fall back with that.
You know, play with me now because Raga, me never get through to you tonight. All when next month, next week, Monday and next month, me still remember Miss Lady.
Yeah, I'm beat her. Worse like how you have elephant memory to and thing and whatever, you not forget nothing. Yeah. She out of
up your nice clean self. Queen Ash was spend hours in a bathroom, but Iliana spend no hours in a bathroom. I'm talk it again. Raga, no for them come over here, come tell be a lie. Me na, Raga, you know me na look no friend from the ANC them, you know.
Yeah.
But sometimes them not tell lie, you know. But sometimes them are lying.
Them are yeah, them are one or two times them tell the truth, you know, but sometimes them are lying. Very festive, ever festive, yeah, them for know. As my mother would have said, aye there.
I'm busy tell you.
Aye there. Yeah, mad thing. Yeah, man, she for I hope she here, you know. Miss Lady will call what day I'm gonna call. Yeah, I'm gonna call Alien Patrol, you know, but she have patrol hole. And all them thing the Jamaican patrol hole, Alien come back for you here. That you for know here. And don't do it again.
I said the Jamaican car them drive round my patrol, but them dropping a fear.
You know, so that means that them can't avoid fear one in a cause it's so.
Exactly.
Jesus.
Out of order.
She
You
rude.
know you play, me play with puppy, but me not make no puppy lick my mouth.
I mix up and blend that time.
All right. Yeah, no foreign thing around here. We don't make puppy. We are Jamaican. We don't that puppy lick up our mouth them here. Then we don't join that something then. No. Okay. All right.
Anyway, big up yourself in a Raga.
Love and blessings.
Keep on doing what you're doing. And you know, say the little half an hour, 45 minutes chat while you're giving. Trust
Yeah.
me respect them vibes there. More
Proper.
time me just love listen to some what? Positive talk round me. You know? Teach and learn.
Blessings, man. All right.
Yeah,
It
man.
goes
Bless
some,
up
man.
yourself. Bless up all like TamFam of them.
One pop. All right. Blessings. Cool.
Yeah.
All right, Illy. Yeah, alien just come rub out somebody, okay? Who are going like them one come style her and all these things, you know? And alien just come take on that and pick up that and fling back that down. Dash with that and all these things, yeah? Yeah. Oh, you come for alien come for you. That's how the thing said. People who for subscribe now. We're soon gone into the sub live. Hello? Hello? Oh, that person there. With the red ear. Nah, come in, though. Who for subscribe? We're about to transition in the subscribers only live. Subscribers only live. Queen Dash with the mad sitting and thing. Ready and all this. Hello? Wait, what on there? All right. Go down the line. Yeah, juggle where I juggle down. Hello? 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 Lexi? All right, up top, just subscribe and thing. All right, let me see something now. I try line up a 912. Line up a preview. So again, sometimes we just love to play a little preview of what is going to occur in the sub live and give some other people a chance to get a sense of, oh Lord, which one of them am I for playing now? Get a sense of what we're going to cover in the sub live. But me still I take call for now, like regular call for this show, like let me see, all right, let me see. I got stuff here. I want to, again, and for those of you already know this, just bear with me, just have a look at patience there. For those of you who don't know, we have subscribers over here and we have lives that are exclusive for the subscribers and that you're free to subscribe right now and do that, right? So we have the regular show that everybody can listen to and watch and all this stuff. And we also have shows for the subscribers, you know. And in the subscriber, it's an out-order subscriber. We're going to have other sub-live only shows that is not out-order based, particularly when I travel. But for right now, it's out-order sub-lives. And in sub-live in general, people are more liberal in their speech, liberal in their vernacular, liberal in the subject matter. That means people will speak in ways that you may consider slack, some of you may consider disgusting, some of you may consider awful, some of you may consider excessively vulgar. That is okay for you to consider it that. These are adult people who appreciate a platform on which they can express themselves freely in their natural language, which, you know, at times can involve what many of you refer to as gross profanities, right? Okay. Additionally, the subject matter is heavily sexual in the outer order sub-lives. What that means is it's certainly not for everybody. Some people can't handle those type of subject, and some people certainly cannot handle that type of language. Again, me cool with it, me grew up with it, me live with it, whatever. I actually have an intellectual understanding of it in terms of an empowered space. You don't have to agree with it, but I understand it that way from an academic perspective. And I'm also a practitioner, right? I don't behave like that every day, no, obviously, but I can revert to that in a second and feel comfortable doing so. I'm a grown man. I can talk the way I want to talk or whatever. Naturally, if I'm in a funeral, if I'm in church, I'm in somebody's house or whatever, I adjust accordingly. But if I'm on a platform that I designed particularly for that, I'm going to be quite liberal and free in expressing myself, as are the people who appreciate said platform. But again, it is certainly not for everybody. So if it's not for you, you can excuse yourself and whatever and be as non-judgmental as is possible. Anyway, before we go into sub-lives, sometime I just play a little piece of something for people to get a sense of what it is we're going to cover in the sub-live. And some people just enjoy it, while others, it's it's an opportunity for them to say, okay, I'm going to subscribe. Again, want to remind you that TikTok is not allowing anybody to gift subscriptions to others presently, but you can subscribe off your own accord. So you can, you can just click the subscribers button at the bottom, which is the star with the circle around it, and subscribe, which will allow you to go into the sub live and the outer order sub live and enjoy it, okay? So we're going to play a piece of something now. Me cut out some things today, did some work today. I don't know which one is. I should have labeled them, Let me say which one is. Blessings, thank you so much, yeah?
Yeah, but what I call to talk about,
Yeah.
and I know that a lot of persons, well, most of probably females are going to say, a fuck and whatever, but my disclaimer, fuck off. If I don't like it, I your problem.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Yeah.
I like doing oral sex.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's some
that was crisscross.
Females might think it's just going there and just sucking and all of that, but honestly, I'm gonna research my thing.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, and when you do it and thing, do you do it just for do it for the man, or you do it but you're one of them who enjoy it? You actually get turned on when you do it and enjoy it when you do it. Which one of them?
Raga, you hear what me say? Or something what me love.
You love.
My love do it.
You're one of them who play with it when you do it, don't it? You play with it and just, box it by your face and lick it from top to bottom and all them something, don't it?
No, I don't really use it and hit me in my face with it.
I just want to remind you folks, this is from 14 years ago. I always say that when I get tired for hearing it for those of you here. But it's from 14 years ago when Raga was a little different than now, okay? Okay.
But
okay.
That's kind of ridiculous.
Okay. Well, box yourself with a
Me not do that. Me not that. But there are other things that I do.
No, there's fun. Sometimes, and I have read that some women will just, slap themselves with it. And that's a thing, From the literature that I've read, I hear that that's a thing,
And say, all right, like the last time I do it, the man actually start ball and I call Jesus.
Tell me what I want.
I was doing it, and like when him come and or even little before him come, him start cry, like serious tears.
Blood clot, what you do?
And like, remember, because alright, it's not like my personal man. Me and him did a deal, but him having baby mother and whatever. The last time him come on my place, after 12, him get up and him saying couldn't sleep.
Yeah.
So him have to come and him have to come link me because my thing shell. I know so my thing shell.
See, there you turn up.
Not just my but the oral sex part.
Yeah, okay. Your blowjob shell, yeah. Talk up, yeah.
Because some of my friend me teach them what to do.
Oh.
And for them man rate them thing. And I me teach them.
See
Girl
it
will never do it before. Me tell them what to do. I know I say shell.
See it there? No, but what you did do to the man? Like what technique or what?
That caused him to cry?
Yeah.
Alright, like some woman, like them just go and them suck, like just suck. No technique, no nothing. When I am doing my thing, that the tip of the penis, it's it have a lot of nerve endings that kind of stimulate the man, right?
Right,
So,
right.
you know, you use your tongue and you play with the tip of it and you go down, you ensure say it always moist.
Yeah.
And you go down and you play around the part that joins the head to the shaft of the penis because they say it's very sensitive.
Okay.
You play with all the tip of the penis with your tongue and your entire mouth is over. You know, you kind of massage the penis same way.
Okay.
And you lightly play with the balls them same way. You do all the perineum trick that drive them wild. I mean,
The perineum what?
trick.
What the fuck is that?
The perineum trick is the part of the male body that is just below the balls, right there. So that little bump area, you flick your tongue right there. So
Oh, yes. Yes.
man, me guarantee any man you do that to, well, not you, but
No. No, I have been the recipient of aggressive tongue stimulation in that particular
no,
area.
Just say any man you do it to, but he must say you are not the you in that.
Oh, me not do it to a man?
Yeah.
Oh, certainly not. But I have been the recipient of tongue massage in that area. And
what should they say that technique the name?
It's the perineum.
The perineum.
Hey, I think blood clot deep. Yeah, go on talk.
Yeah, so, Raga, me tell you, my research, my thing, turn up. But that's just what I wanted to say to you tonight.
Yeah.
The world need to know about it, not true.
The way you said the world need to know how to go, don't it?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course. I'm love do it and any woman where I go burn me out. That's for them fucking business if I carry
No, darling.
Yeah. Don't pay the woman them no man. We men are celebrating.
Right.
And that makes you happy. We want you to be happy.
Right.
Yeah.
It is something like, you know, some like as simple stuff as, you know, just changing up the position, because some woman might think that I just lay down and the man or whatever. That's just one thing. But you know, so even while doing that, you have various positions that you can do, right? For example, as simple as him standing up and you kneeling down, that give him a sense of power. So even that drive him crazy for you to be doing it and looking up at him. So that even stimulate him more, and even while you're doing that.
What you think about the woman them who when them a do it? I have read when them a do it that them no want the man hold them head.
Bumbo Clara hold my head and force it in.
Blood Yeah, someone would tell the way our voice just sounds so formal and like, you know, what would I say decent? And she was just like, Bumba Clot Raga, just hold my hand and force it. Tell them, say, hold me ear and just drag. They have some other woman like, no, don't touch my head. I'll do this, but I don't want you to touch my head. Nancy! Watch my friend.
I come from the hairdresser. Fuck that shit up. We go again tomorrow. I'll get it done.
See there. Yeah, ladies, let me tell you something, man. I'm glad you said that part there, you know, but ladies, you see, if you go, you see, if you're there with your man, like, long time, you know, so on the long time, husband and wife part on there, how many years, yeah. We understand that, watch the ear, something, don't mess up the ear. All right, I'm going to give you some, but don't mess up the ear. You get that privilege. But, you see, if it's just that early dating, you're not gone 1 year yet and them something there, you come here and you give man some, you're there with a man and you give him some, and you go tell the man for worry about your hair, and down to them something, that man, a big turn off that. And yeah, we know so now for go balance up with him, because if we are telling us that don't do them something there, but then if we don't come and then we say, all right, now we still protect the ears, so we're going to wrap the head and then we don't come out and look like Aunt Jemima and look like we're not going revival church meeting or whatever. We don't know, it's a catch-22, it depends, you know? Because some woman wrap them head and still look fine as hell, or them just know if we wrap them head and thing. But in general, man, if we don't come and not give a man some and thing, I want to keep on and tell the man feel like I worry about on here. That means that we're not even into it. Una not even into it. Basically, una give a man like a receptacle to masturbate in. That is not even sex. That is not like whatever. Cause on the mind don't even into it. It's like automaton. It's like mechanical. It's like, okay, so the front, they go in there, do what you want to do and come out and thing and whatever. Because me I worry about my hair. Like seriously. When I don't do it, man. We don't like it. Man don't like it. Man don't like it. When I come around the thing and I tell people so for worry about on here. Worry about on here and all them thing down. I deal with that before, man. Suppose she have work in the morning. You have some woman will tell you, they will tell themselves, hold me ear and just draw and go. They have some other woman like, no, don't touch my head. I'll do this, but I don't want you to touch my head.
I because I come from the hairdresser. Fuck that shit up. Me we go again tomorrow. Go get it done.
See it there.
Even the simple thing as the deep throat. Yeah. When some woman doing the deep throat, like them start like teary eye and all of them shit. That don't happen to me, and I don't like them to show up bigger or whatever. But there's technique. There are things that you need to know.
She's
like
technically oriented.
The simplest thing of him having sex with you in your mouth and you know, like when him pull out, because you're going to go back and forth. Right. When him go back and pull out, you start breathe. You just take a quick breath, and then when him go down back, you know, say it a go.
And you say, here not cheap, and plus it tight, and my head hurt me. Angie, translate that. Translate. We know the ear not cheap part, but what you mean it tight and your head hurt you? What you hear always when hear? What you mean it tight and your head hurt you? The tension. When the hair just do it tight. So what about when the hair just do like? I saw it go when the hair them just do them tight, no? Or and why your head? Yeah. So you wait. Anytime you do your hair, your head always hurt you, Angie. Angie, anytime you do your hair, your head always hurt you. Yo, me see woman do them here, you know, and when them done, come on, them take out back everything, you know, the way them head a kill them, you know. So it look like them always I do Angie one tight. Because if she go post then that means say, her hair always tight and her head always a hurt her. No, Nikki, but if she go post that. Right? It can't be a one-off thing then. What Angie say is that when fear here do, it always tight and her head always a hurt her. In other words, she always have that issue when sort out time come around. Always. So how a man deal with that now? Munchie, if my hair is not done tight, it don't feel good. I don't know, something about that sound. Munchie. Nah, if my ear not tight, it don't feel good. It have to tight to feel good, don't it, Munchie? Munchie, are you post that, you know, Munchie, you say, if your hair not tight, it don't feel good. So it have to tight to feel good, don't it, Munchie? Jesus. If after 4 it's still tight, no man, me I tell you some man, me there with me. Me remember one time, you know, me there with one woman, you know. And she go do her hair, you know. Me tell her she spend hours, you know, cause sometimes when them woman do them hair, them a spend whole day. And when my girl a come home, you know, my girl a come home, if I go pick her up so much, and she said, meet me so and so and whatever, come with this. So I said, what you do down? She said, I just needed to walk. But I said, what you do down there, so? And she said, me just the so and so. I said, yo, but you can't go down this so and down this. You know, down this so run, down this so not safe. and whatever. And she said, me don't even know myself. And she sound like she get mad. Somebody just say, what me do and whatever, and grab my gun too, you know, man, license gun. And grab my gun, and me, I said, no, don't this time, because you ever know where the woman I walk. And when me go down there, I see the woman like her head mad. I hear out, and she just a walk and thing. I say, B, we have the downtown down there, so don't time me I walk and thing. You know, them time of night, and whatever, and this and that, you know, the way, which part today, you know, anything could have gone on, you know, you understand? People, me take out my gun, I have my gun in my hand. You understand? And I look around, and when I say, go in the car, man. Me say, what happened? She said, when she don't do her ear, and I come home, and whatever, she just jump in and come and tell the taxi drive because she said her head a kill her. It was the strangest thing to me as a man, you know. I just couldn't get it. I mean, like, what you mean? She said my head did just drive me crazy after I spend so long there, all day with she had do my ear and thing and whatever. And then when it done, it a kill me. It just like me feel like me I lose my mind. Like all of the ear, my ear root, them I draw out of my head, and I beat it and I try, and it nah do whatever. And I just tell the man, drive. The man must think say my mad and whatever. And at some point, I just give him much thousand and jump out of the car. I mean, one time the woman I get mad. And then she said, you know, she take out the ear, she walk, and I take, when I look which part she walk, I just hear her dash. Me I say, my girl, you know, say something I go on, I say, well, I not to understand right now. She said, you wouldn't even like, no. It's only another woman who go through something like this can understand what me I go through right now. Me I say, so I say, after you spend the entire day and whatever, you just tear out the whole of the ear. She said, me don't want it. And thing, I just kind of figure, say, the zone where she in right now, she don't need no judgment or nothing. I say, all right, come. You understand? And it was all about comforting her after that. But that thing, man, sometimes it just drive on a crazy, you know. That tightness something there, you know, man, with the ear, you know. It can be terrible, man. Yeah, no, I tell you, Peach, you know, I just pick up, say, yeah, this is a woman thing. This is a hair thing. And you're not going to understand it. What is important now is that your woman have a meltdown. And you just need to firm up and just be gentle and soft and strong for her and thing, you know? Yeah, man, and, you know, I just balance her up because I'm good like that. Yeah? I just balance her up, man, and thing and whatever. I say never worry about your ear, man. And when you hear if you have a mad woman thing, I just start playing with her and make she laugh and thing because I can make people laugh. That is what I'm good at. Makes you laugh and relax. But another point me I make is she was just going crazy. She just jumped into the car and she just tell the man drive and just come off somewhere randomly and I walk and just grab her here. Who does that? You understand? But whatever did I go on with her ear and her head, it was just so crazy. And I'm say how that woman do that. Them go do them here, spend hours go do them here and come home and just be like, yeah, and take it out. Ladies don't you know a woman who do that to other woman who do that. Do them here, spend how much money do them here, come home and either it a kill them or them not like it or it a scratch or something and them just take it out. Cheryl Bless she do it all the time. Colleen say yes. Miss Washington say yes. Angie say yes. Pretty girl say Marie say yes. Nick say yes, me. Right? Sexy Nisha, yes. Yeah, man, a woman go through them thing, man. Spiritually best and do it already, man. Yeah, money waste, but I saw it's just like one of them thing there, you know? People who go through it, man. Anyway, I go over in I sub live now, yeah? I go over in I sub live now. Anybody who need to subscribe before we go over, do it now. I'm about to jump over there right now. Subscribers only live. I want to big up all the people that who listen to the show regularly and thing. Soon back on Monday. Every reader say I take the painkillers when it's tight. Well, you have to be careful with that too, you know. One of the things me I learned too, you know, is like painkillers damage liver and kidney. You never even know they're sitting there, right? Yeah, Ruthie, me hear you. Ray say, who I go with him? All right, I go over in the sub live now, people. I go over in the sub live now. I go over in the sub live, all right? So all of our regular other listeners and things who are not subscribers, me soon on Monday and things, see? Soon on Monday, take care of yourself. Have a wonderful Labor Day weekend for those of you in the United States. You know, Monday is a big national holiday. In America, it signals the end of summer. In the United States of America, Labor Day is symbolically the end of summer. All right, so this weekend is a big party weekend here. No party and thing. In New York City, it's the West Indian Day Parade, big sitting like that. Beer party, dance, everything all over. But of course, it's my daughter's birthday weekend, so I'm going to be busy with her this weekend. I'm looking forward to that. Romian, what you say? I might link up tomorrow. All right, shout me, man, with day, you know. Oh, Canada have Labor Day Monday too? What? Big up on yourself, you know, my Canadian people, you know. Right? Big up on yourself as on a celebrating on Labor Day. It is still the case that Canadians in general have, you know, some of the worst sort out and thing. It's just a little thing we don't know. On a dash out just no good, right? Canadian people them on a sort out no good. You know, anybody who know me for years and know say I've been like making this known and thing, but outside of that, Sandra just subscribe, big up yourself. Outside of that, Canada, you have a lot of good things going for you. And whatever chocolate, Canada sort out, you know, sort out no good, you know? Okay. Yeah. And Mina, so I can't no dopey come myself tonight. Why I go and Mina? No, man. Or Veronique, no, man. This is a known fact, right? Canadian people sort out, hey, people, me like Canada, you know? Me like Canada, you know? The reason why me like Canada, enough people not gonna like it. The reason why me like Canada, enough people not gonna like it. Canada, quiet. Canada, quiet. Second, Canadians, some people are change it. I mean, I want a group come get from my case, but I not lie, some people really are changing. One time them used to beat Jamaicans, you know, upon the Jane and Finch era, so them I bring down Canada. No, nobody, them not really focus on the Jamaicans again. The Punjabi, them, man. No, but me not lie, them, you know, when time you go through Canada, them really are going bad for true. Them, they just do things that Canadians are not known for in general. Them just make a lot of noise outside of them house. Them, you know, one time I go there, you know, one woman, you know, she, you know, Punjabi. And I said, the woman just come up right. Me sit down and wait upon the, you know, you wait, you're there, you fly gate. And the woman come and the woman just come up, you know, in front of me and she come to a seat, you know, me sit down there and she go a seat there. And the woman just go, people, when I tell you something, jump, a big woman, you know, I jump up in and look on the woman, you know, and you know, so the woman I look for me like, what your problem? What your problem? People, when I tell you something, one time, you know, Brampton, they just, let me tell you people, one time Brampton was known as a studio era one time, you know. One time was like a nice area, you know. Brampton. That changed now, man. That changed now. And them at the talk of the town up there, man, and them say them can go on, you see. Right? And I say, look at that team. Gone are the days when everybody, Jamaican, them a bring down the place and whatever. Yeah, man, I talk about the Jamaican, them too tough now. Brampton, you know, them just talk about them people and whatever. All the train, you go in and train, them have to put up some signs and all them something, and people say, yeah, them I be things are going on over there, you know. All right. But anyway, But some I said Canada have a lot going for them. I like because on a discipline outside of them, the issue with them people. And like when me a year ago in one place named Hamilton, me say be things are going on in Hamilton. I've never been there. I think I drive past it when me I go several times when me I go Niagara Falls. But outside of that, Canada discipline. Canadians are just disciplined and it's quiet. Right? If quiet makes you bored, and you know, used to it and whatever, Canada is not for you. I love it. Me love it. But apart from that, man, Canada people, them Canadians are just known for have pop down sort out. You understand? Pop down sort out. Right? And boy, I don't know if anything can save on the right this up. Right? Me don't know if anything can save on the right this up. Me don't know the Canadians, them. Me don't know if like the quietness, the art of discipline, something they just come over and on a sort out, but on a sort out, pop down, man. Okay. Just thought I'd share that. You see what I say? No, me I go over in a sub. Wait, what Trini I say? Where nurse Trini I say? What Trini nurse I say? Trini nurse, what go on?
What go on, Raga?
What go on?
Me had a mix-up for you. I thought you'd wait till you get into the sub-live.
You have a mix-up for sub-live, right?
I can say it now. I know how to be decent.
No, but if I something where you have to say sub-live time, I could go over in a sub-live.
Okay. So
All right, may I go over in a sub-live. Stay right where you're there. 10:30. 10:30. All right, people, may I go over in a sub-live now, all right? Other folks and things, see you guys on Monday and thing, and for who no subscribe yet, you can subscribe and come over and join us, okay? I'm about to step over right now. Alrighty, wait. Okay, here we go. All right, we're over.